Chooks, it's obvious this girl is smarter than we thought. Oh. What do we do now?
What else? If not to return to the market. It's obvious we've lost her. She's lucky.
We'll certainly get her. Let's go.
May I marry her and all the existing deities all the existing deities in this land scatter that pit in your face you call mad with akaudo for asking me that stupid question. Idiot.
Thank you. Papa, thank you.
Where are you coming from?
See, Papa, I don't like all these questions you're asking me in this house. So. Now, can someone just drink water and keep cup in this house for you and Mama? See, I don't like this thing. No. Now, back one side, though. Back one side.
Oh, you are talking to me. Urudia came here and reported that you packed all her you packed all her banana and ran away without paying for it. Why?
Papa, Urudia came to this house. She come this house. Hey! Papa, what time did she come? What time? Which time and which minute?
Are you asking me?
See, this man, I don't get your time. Oh. See, I don't have this kind of time. Oh. I don't get your time. See, take a chill pill and relax. In a numb, when you're you cough anyhow. You give me. See, don't man, give me to back. Nah, back.
You are talking to me.
Nah,
anyone come back here?
Nah,
you just walk out on me.
Kuranta, man. Get the back.
Noah. Come back here. You just walk out on me. Noah, your father.
Nah, this woman thinks she will just come to my house and report to my father of ordinary banana. Ordinary banana or common banana that is even purging me since yesterday. Nah, these women self in this village, they want to try a normal. Nah. You will be the one to prepare this food. Hey, Jinek. Mama, it's your turn to cook today. So go ahead and cook it. What is it, Seth?
My turn, Kwa. Since when did we start whose turn it will be to cook and not to cook?
Mama, it's today, oh. It's today. Maybe it's my turn tomorrow. But for today, cook the food very well. And don't put too much oil and too much salt because I don't even like it.
Oh, you're not giving me instructions, okay? As you're my husband.
See, let me tell you, you can say whatever you want to say. That one is none of my business. Cook that food well, oh. Don't put too much salt and pepper. Else I won't cook it. Make it though.
Don't worry.
Found better.
When you finish, you come back. I think better food. You're going to have house. You better eat there. Eat there. I'm not here. I know you can actually eat.
come here. I'm talking to you. I said, come back here.
Nah, today, choose away. Nah, pon.
Stay here. I'm talking to you. Where's that banana you stole?
Which banana?
Let me have the banana.
The banana is here.
Huh?
But it's in my stomach. Nah, get out.
Enuma. Yeah, where's the banana?
Hey.
Give it to me.
Today, come on, cut away you.
Me?
Now cut away.
I'll show you.
Cut away.
Stop! I will deal with this guy today. Stop it! Me! Stop it! Fighting me! Stop it! Stop! Me! Come on! Stop it! Stop it! Let me deal with this guy. What is the problem? What is the problem? You will not believe that this idiot here stole Uridia's banana without having a dime to pay for it. Even if she did that, why didn't you come and tell me? Am I not your friend? Why are you fighting a woman? Eh? And you, I've told you to stop this your fighting attitude. It will not end here.
See, Afam, just back where now, just back where.
I'm leaving this guy because of you. Just go. Don't worry.
Come on, nah,
Okay, you will hear from me.
I will just. Nah, Afam.
For crying out loud. Women don't fight.
So why don't you just want all these stupid people to avoid my trouble in this village? Tell them to avoid any normal trouble in this village. What is it, sir?
Happy is not happy.
No, happy in Ako.
Enuma, see, I was going to your house. But because of this rubbish I saw you doing, I won't go to your house again. I'm going back.
Abam, come now. Hey, why can't just, these people. Abam, tell her now. Abam, come. Abam, wait for me now. Hey, Abam, wait now.
What happened? Why are you the one cooking?
Enuma said that it's my turn to cook. What? You know your daughter.
Enuma. Here. If only this girl knows that the worst poverty in life is not that of money, but that of good character. Huh?
She doesn't know that.
Hey, so since when did this sudden sharing of who is to cook in the house started?
I don't know. I really don't know.
Hey, this girl has beaten more than what she can chew.
As always.
Go to school, Mba. Learn the trade. No way. Do this, foul. Do that, over the bar. All she knows how to do is to fight all over the whole village.
And cause trouble, make enemies. Scatter the whole nation. Anyway, enough of Enuma. Your visit to the doctor, how did it go?
Oh, well, I saw him. He carried out another test on me.
Oh, really?
Yes, and gave me some drugs which I used there.
Okay.
He said one of the nurses will be coming to me in the house to treat me.
Oh, beautiful. At least by then the test will be out.
I hope so.
Don't worry, I will soon finish cooking so you can eat.
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
Would you like to go inside?
Yes, I think I need to go and lie down and have some rest.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Why you're old? Why you're old? You're going to desert.
Hey, one thing I don't understand is how I got to become a friend to a fighter.
You don't know. The reason is that because I am the strongest of all the girls in this village.
Keep quiet, my friend. Not a girl.
In fact, that reminds me. What did you even say you want to see me for? Why do you want to see me?
Okay, now you want to know.
Yes.
So you really care to know now? Okay, I am going to tell you this. Only on one condition.
Which is?
Which is you promise me here and now that you stop fighting and bullying people. Innocent people for that matter.
I promise. Go on.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure?
After my promise now.
Good. I want you to go and learn trade.
Trade?
Yes.
Yeah.
You go and learn trade because in that way you'll stop bullying people.
No, I don't understand though. How do you expect a grown-up person like me? No, man, but to go and learn trade. Nah, but the way idea.
Nobody is too big to go and learn trade. As I am here, I can go and learn any trade that I want. Yes.
I'm going to go and learn now. Am I holding you? No. So go and learn. See, don't disturb me. In fact, this discussion is open. What is it said? Pack away.
Enuma, you're walking out on me. You see?
Enuma, wake up. Enuma! Sit up, sit up.
Hey! What is it?
Sit up.
We need to talk.
Talk about what, Mama? I have not been able to sleep. Why? Your lifestyle. Your lifestyle is totally not acceptable. Your father and I can't take it anymore. Eh? Listen, besides, you are our only child. What is it, Mama?
Mama, what is the problem with my lifestyle? Eh? What is it? Can't I rest in this house? Eh, Mama? Can't you mind your business and leave me alone in this house? Eh?
Well, you act like a man. You're not a man, you're a woman. And we need you to change. Permanent change, you're not this kind of political change we have around.
Okay. You want change, isn't it?
Permanent change.
You shall change. I will give you change. I will change.
Huh?
Is that all you want?
That's all I want.
I will change.
So can I sleep in this? You can sleep now.
That you be disturbing me.
Sorry, you can
You
sleep.
know what I'm dreaming of
Also,
now.
you can sleep.
Please close the door for me.
Good night. Check on out, boy, check on out. That's part of being a lady. Good night.
Enuma, let me go. Let me go. And if I don't, what will happen? Leave my way. Okay. So you think you can call all those small boys to come and beat me because of ordinary banana? Banana that is even purging my stomach, madam. Hey! Let me see how they will save you from my troubles. Let me go. Let me go. Osegene, what are you saying? Kneel up again! This woman, eh? Hey. In fact, this is not the right place to execute this plan. Stand up. Eh? Follow you to where? I'm not going anywhere with you. Look at this woman. If you don't stand up here, I'm going to finish this skin on your body. I said stand up! Before the counting of 3, stand up. 1, 2,
but she continues to repeat it. She will tell me if she's the man of the house.
Wait, just take it easy. You remember, I had 5 miscarriages before Enuma finally came to us. Let us treat her with love and understanding. Please.
Imedi, you are bringing sentiment into this. Remove sentiment. For this ones, I'm going to burn all of them. I will burn them. Let me see how she's going to behave like a man again in this house.
But if you burn these clothes, what would she wear?
Don't worry. I'll get her a new set of female clothes.
Ah, but you know she will never wear them. Wait now, man.
Let them. Leave this man. Leave them. What is it that?
Enuma wa mandoba, Enuma. I don't want to see window bandiavo, Enuma. Obuwoke, I don't know. Obuwanye, I did I'm sure. Gane puko melone mekwazo. I'm out to ratatata like machine gun, insulting everyone. Enuma wa mandoba.
Enuma!
Na my Nikki. Na chop knock. Ituma.
Mamanduba.
Na Ituma.
Yayo.
My Nikki. Na come. Na in fact.
Ow!
Na very.
Power!
Ituma. My Nikki.
Mamanduba, power!
Yes, sir. Thank you. No, we go see later.
Oh, no.
No, eat the bar. Hey. Papa, why are you burning my clothes now?
Your clothes. Those nonsense clothes you wear and look stupid with everybody. I'm burning them.
Hey. Nah, Papa, wait, you're joking. Mama, is this my clothes? Oh, I don't understand. Is this really my clothes? Ask your father.
Is he not your father?
Nah, see this man. Don't talk with me, oh. See. Nah, it's my clothes, true. Nah, see. You see this man? You see you? Nah, oh, my man. Nah, Nah, okay, nah, up more.
See, you look for trouble. Now trouble has landed.
If she comes back here, I will roast her with the clothes. Why would she be happy? Why would she be wearing men clothes? You see a man?
Hey,
Put this gun away. Biko Kanayo.
I'll miss my target, though. Mama, get out of the road. I'll kill this man today. I will kill you today.
Can you see what I'm saying? Which child will want the father dead? Tell her to
Papa, give me 7 reasons where to make you burn my clothes. Or I will kill you now, old man.
Please put the gun away. If you fire now, who can walk you?
Mama, I will kill you. Papa, hey!
Don't pull the trigger, please. Talk to your daughter.
Don't pull the trigger. Instead, don't pull the trigger. After Niru.
Hey! Papa, get away.
Enuma! What are you doing? What is wrong at your parents?
Oh! Apam, leave me alone, no. Apam, stay out of this. Let me kill this man.
Papa, leave her. Let her kill me. Let her kill me.
Papa, no, Enuma, please, don't do this. Don't do. It's not right. It's not right, Enuma. Please.
Apam, leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Enuma bekene biagwa mi fibu nobi.
Oburala ko bunobi.
Ifibu nobi na kibu na
Hey!
Senge basuku na kanne nyege. Oye mama.
Enuma, please.
for the sake of our friendship. Please give me that gun. Please.
Afam, it's because of you.
Please, I know, please give it to me.
Afam, it's because of you. You know it's because of you. My niggy. It's because of you.
Please, just calm down, oh?
Okay, this old man. See this old man. Mapopagi, winch. By the time I get to this house, make sure say you buy all those clothes. Else, I will kill you. I want these people. You, I'll kill you. This old man. And you this week. Come.
Stop it.
Nah, leave me alone. Now let me deal with these people.
It's okay, please.
You're lucky.
Please.
You're lucky.
Please, it's okay.
Stupid man. I want these people, want them, I will kill you. I'll kill you, old man. I want this winch. Come. I'm just people, God.
Mama.
Hey.
I'm so sorry. Please forgive her for her actions. Oh, what are they?
Please keep your sympathy to yourself. If you're not seeing for so that is where you're going, eh?
Mama, I've not gone to the other before.
How can you use such words on a young man who had just saved my life? If he had not come, I'm sure that your useless order would have killed me.
Mama, Papa, thank you very much. Let me start going.
And make sure you don't touch that obi, oh. Make sure you don't touch that obi.
I'm not touching it.
People know be na dey.
Enuma.
Enuma wa manduba, Enuma. I don't want to see window bandiavo. Enuma. Okay, I don't know. Obuwani.
Small boy, you want to challenge your father, okay?
Papa.
Eh?
Please stop talking too much.
There's
no age in this game.
Yes, I know, you are right. There's no age in this game. That is why I want to show you that I've been playing this game before I marry your mother. In fact, I paid my first house rent in Kabachan with this game.
Play. Papa, look at someone bringing Mama home.
Hey, stop that. You want to play me a trick, Abi?
But be serious for once.
Hey?
My body.
Okay. Hey. Hey! What happened to my wife?
I was on my way to the farm and I saw her tied to a tree.
Eh? Tied to a tree?
Yes, sir.
By who?
I don't know, sir.
Hey!
Papa, who did this to you?
Sir, I better take my leave.
Oh, thank you, eh?
Thank you very much.
What happened to you? Eh?
I was going to the market this morning. And Enuma saw me on my way and stopped me.
Hey! Enuma.
She dragged me into the bush. I beat the living hell out of me. She flogged all over my body.
Hey! First, Enuma stole your banana. Now she did all this to you in this village.
Yes.
I'm coming.
Enuma wa manduba, Enuma. I don't want to see window bandiavo. Enuma. Okay, I don't know.
Papa, where are you going?
I'm out to ratatata like machine gun, insulting everyone. Enuma wa manduba. I don't care about Jarema, some back on a bar. Enuma wa manduba.
Where is she? I mean, where is your daughter? Where is that daughter of yours? Where is she?
Well, what is the problem? And why are you vibrating like a man whose family has been wiped out by war?
Oh yes, my family has been wiped out of my war. Where is your daughter? Where is your daughter? Where is she? I said, where is your daughter? Where is she? You see, it is your family that will be wiped out by war. Or your daughter, if you don't provide that right now. Where is she?
Oh, Wabo, what has my daughter done?
Your daughter tied my wife to a tree and flog the living day out of her. Few days after she stole her banana. What is the problem? Are we the only family in this community? Tell me.
Did you hear that?
No, our daughter is not home. But don't worry, we will deal with her when she comes back. But Pico, forgive her. Eh? We really apologize for whatever she has committed.
She's very lucky she's not at home. I will have chopped off her head with this machete. Yes. But before I go, I want to drop this warning for her. Tell her to stay away from my family. Because the next time I see her, I'm going to bury her alive. And that is a warning. I am promising you that. Warn your daughter. I will deal with her.
Please, don't be annoyed.
Enuma.
Stop calling Enuma. Stop calling Enuma. Have you seen the devil you gave to me as a child?
Devil I gave to you as a child. Anytime this girl commits some kind of atrocity, you blame me. She is also your daughter.
She cannot be my daughter. She cannot be my daughter. I will not have a devil as a daughter. Yes.
It's an angel you have as a daughter. When you have genes of the devil in you, a natural angel.
I could have given you a gorilla as a daughter.
Mba, you gave me a chimpanzee. One monkey. My friend. Enuma, did your father and I commit any offense by bringing you into this world? You know your father's condition. Do you want to kill him before it's time?
See, Mama, I don't understand this thing you're saying now. Now, park one side now.
You don't understand. Well, for your information, Ichie Obuagu came here today to tell us how you mercilessly beat up his wife. True or false?
Mama, yes, it's the truth.
You mean you beat up his wife? Why would you do such a thing?
Mama, see, let me tell you. That useless woman insulted my personality. Yes. And if she tries that again, I'm going to beat her again, and again.
Get personality now, come here. If the person come and follow my nugget, you'll see it. Anyway, for your information, the man has promised to deal with you anywhere he sees you.
Wait, Mama, who said that?
Who else? Ichie said so.
Hey. Okay. Mama, take it to him now. Tell him to take a cheap pill and relax. Inanugo?
I'm waiting for him. So this is all you have to say. This is all you have to say.
Mama, don't worry.
Hey! Hey! How? So good you want to...
What's that your name? What is the meaning of this nonsense? Why are you blocking my way?
What do you think say it be before? It is said that when the gods wants to kill a man, they will first of all
So you are now old enough to stand in my front and talk to me in proverb. Do you even know the meaning of that? Do you know the meaning of what you just said?
Hey! Chai! Oh! Hey! Enoma! Nwamandoba! Look at this old man. See this old man. Come. In fact, I don't get time to talk. Repeat everything you told my parents in front of me. Right now.
Look. If you don't get out of my front now, I will deal with you personally. I am going to deal with you myself. Yes!
Eh? So, you think I'm joking with you, Okwaya? Hey! Now this man, remove this thing.
Hey, what? Hey! Do you know the meaning of what you just done? You remove my cap. An abomination. You remove cap from the head of a red cap chief.
See, let me tell you. Lie on this floor right now.
Hey?
Let me treat your fuck up first. Give
Okay.
me this thing. Nah, they don't.
Hey!
Lie on this floor. Are you okay?
Hey!
Eh? You want to try me? So you think I'm talking with your boy? Nah, this man. Nah, I don't like this thing you're doing. Lie on this floor.
I should lie down.
Yeah.
Me, red cap keep.
No, what are you saying? Lie on this floor.
You don't get me.
Nah. Hey. Repeat after me. I say repeat after me. We never, ever interfere in anything that concerns any man in this village. Say it now. Today I do. I shall die. Say it now. Nonsense man. Nonsense. Now see, no one. Oh, take a chili pill and relax. You hear me? Take a chili pill and relax. Nonsense man. My boy. Now him fight. I say give me five. Him fight. Correct man. You think you want to tie me in this village? You want to tie me in this village? I'll deal with you.
I don't care how Jarema, some back on a bar.
Papa, what happened to you?
Now, what's the problem? Easy. Ogini, what is it?
You will not believe what that useless girl called Inuma did to me today. She beat me, run me on the ground. In fact, she sat on top of me. All my waist is paining me now. Oh!
I told you that girl is evil. You never believed me. Thank God she has taught you your own lesson. I believe you will believe me now.
Hey, Papa, so it could not even be that little girl. After you make him out, very, very strong.
Mechology. What do you know? Wait till you get old like me and see what it is to be beaten by a small girl like that.
She will not do anything.
Will you shut up? Get inside and boil hot water for me to massage your father's waist.
Hey.
Mind you, sorry.
A whole red calf chief like me. That girl disgraces me. Hey. Abomination.
I don't care how Jarema, some back on a bar. I'm out to ratatata like machine gun. Insulting.
You're back. Hey, you must have been worried. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I had to go and see Mazu Bono, whose wife gave birth.
I won't come back.
Yeah, anyway, here's your daughter.
I don't know. Since she left the house this afternoon, she hasn't been back. I don't know where she has gone to. Oh, I don't know.
Anyway, that's all right. You take this clothes and give to her.
You bought this one?
Yes.
It's beautiful. Hey. Yeah, she will love these though.
Really?
Hey.
These are the kind of clothes she ought to be wearing. Not these clothes meant for men. She's a woman.
You bought a lot too. This must make her happy. Hey. Do you want to go inside? It's a bit chilly.
Yes, I think I should go inside.
I'll stay here and wait for her.
Okay.
Thank you. Your tea is there.
Okay.
The hot drink.
Thank you.
Nobody can know. Chokeke, I greet you.
You're welcome.
They said when a child does something wrong, he or she should expect something wrong in return. Ichiobuagu, I need you to tell all the elders what you told me today in my house.
I told Idika that your daughter, Enoma, gave me the beating of my life yesterday. She told me, a red cap chief, to sit on the floor. She sat on me. She laid me down and sat on my back. Me, Ichiobuagu. Hey!
Aro.
Abomination.
Hey, Ichiokeke, have you heard the abomination your daughter committed? A red cap chief for that matter. Have you heard?
That daughter of yours has caused a lot of harm in this village. And it's high time she is taught a lesson. And if care is not taken, we take the matter to the palace.
Yes. She'll be taught a lesson. Exactly.
Please, don't go that far yet. Please, I apologize. Think about my health. Please, I apologize sincerely on her behalf. Ichie Ogwago, please, be good. I apologize. Forgive her. I will talk to her in a language she will understand when she comes back home.
Yes.
Please.
Look at that.
Now what is going on here, sir?
Will you shut up there? Make sure not. Idiot. Look at her. Devil of a child that you have become in this family.
See, Papa, mind yourself. Now respect yourself. I don't like this. It's not because you're my father you be talking to me anyhow. Respect yourself. I am no. As for you, Obagu, okay, you're here. After all I did to you that day, you have the impetus, the charismatism to come here and say rubbish with this your stupid elders. Acquire? No respect. One, no problem.
Have you lost your senses?
Have you lost your senses? Now, Mama, back one side. Which? Back one side. Rubbish. See, let me tell all of you. Before I open my eyes, people should just get out of here.
And will you shut up there? Shut up! Are you crazy? Are you mad?
That's what he's saying.
Please.
He's getting out of hand.
Oh! Okay, you're still here.
Forgive her.
Oh, okay, you're still here.
I'm sorry, please.
One, two. Take a deep breath and relax. Wait for me.
Idika,
Okay, I'm coming.
I don't want to experience what that girl did to me the last time. I am leaving. Alalamo.
I'm leaving too.
Hey, you mean we should go?
I'm already on my way. Not I should. I'm already on my way.
Let's go.
You can come back. Let's finish the discussion. The culprit is back.
Enoma, for crying out loud, how many times will I tell you to stop dressing like a man? You are a woman. You should dress like a woman, not like men. Your mother is in the house. Have you done anything in the house today? And where are you going wearing these stupid dresses?
Now, see this man, no, see, leave me alone, no, leave me alone in this house, oh, leave me alone. Now, tell me, now, let me answer one question at a time now. Let me know the one I'm answering correctly. Okay, I did not do anything at home because it's Mama's turn to do the housework today. So, and secondly, I am going out because I have important place I'm going to.
Thunder, fire your mouth. That stupid mouth of yours, you stupid girl. I close my eyes now. Go back inside the house.
Oh, you're going to happen more. Nah, I don't understand though. Nah, this man said.
Go inside the house.
Anyway, online. Tell me what. Is it your father you're talking to like that? I thought you promised me last night that you were going to change.
Abia, has it changed? People that have promised change, have they done change? No, Mama happen more. See, as far as I'm concerned, there's no change in this world. You know, change my foot now for no.
Can you see your daughter? Can you see your daughter? Have you seen her? Anyway, I know what exactly to do. I know what to do.
Besides, she said pack well.
Yes.
Okay, to pack well.
She told me to pack well. Am I a car or a driver that I'm parking well?
No, you know she's a boy now. And she understands that it's only men that park. Women don't park.
Hey! It's alright. I know what to do. I know what to do. Lady, hurry up with the water now.
I'm here.
Thank you, my dear.
You'll be fine, no? You'll be fine.
Okay. Thank you.
Make it easy.
Thank you.
Now back one side of it. See, take a cheap pill and relax. Nothing now. As it gets well. What is wrong with you, sir? Oh, back. Hey.
You have been sitting here all evening. Why don't you come inside and sleep?
Nanny, how can I sleep when my daughter is out there? Who knows if she's safe?
I don't know why you keep bothering yourself over a girl who has refused to be useful to herself and the family.
Nanny, what do you mean by that? See, I don't care. I do not care. That girl is my only child, and I love her irrespective of whatever she does.
Now I know. You are the one that spoiled this child.
You can say whatever you like, Pico. Just...
Anyway, I am inside resting. When you are tired of waiting, feel free to join me.
Nah, go and rest. You're the one that is sick. Look at the time you're coming back. Where have you been? You're even drunk.
Come. This woman. What kind of question is this? Nah, Kata, when you go and ask that your stupid useless husband.
Let me help you. Let me take you inside.
Don't touch me again, no. Don't touch me again. Witch. You want to use this your witch hand and touch me? Cut away.
I know I'm a witch and my hands are whatever, but at least let me help you inside.
See! Cut away you! See! You're even worse than a witch.
What's that?
Here is the bed. Ah! I said leave me alone, this woman. Don't touch me. Here is the bed. Go straight. Shake it. Ow! Oh. It's all right. Oh!
Get up, get up. Get up now.
Where? Is it this? Enuma. 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 Enuma, get up and eat.
Oh, leave me alone.
Enuma, you need to eat something before you sleep. Enuma.
Oh. Don't touch me.
When you wake up, you will eat. By then the drink would have cleared from your eyes. Nah, I want to rush to the market to get some food stuff. Yes.
Do you have enough money on you?
Oh, of course. Right inside my wallet. Alright, let me hurry up.
Yes, don't keep long.
Trust me, I'll be back before you know it. Take care. Hey!
Why, your man?
but it's good.
Papa, good morning. Papa, I know you're very, very angry over what happened yesterday. Huh? Please forgive me, please.
Yeah. So, the word sorry can actually come out from this mouth of yours.
Of course, Papa. Eh? Papa, am I not a human being? Huh? I'm sorry.
Oh, no, you are worse than an animal. Yeah.
But you know I'm your dad now. Please forgive me. Please, huh? Namuku. Namuku. I'm sorry now. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Papa, now.
It's okay.
Thank you.
I forgive you.
Papa, thank you. Papa, where is Mama now? Since I woke up, I've not seen her. Where is she now?
Your mother went to the market to get few things for the house. Hmm?
Oh. Okay. Okay.
So, no, ma.
Yes, Papa?
Please, get me my drugs from inside the house.
Oh, okay, Papa. Okay. Papa, take a chill pill and relax, okay? I'm coming. Let me get the shit. Now see, Papa, you're starting with this too much questions, eh? I have a lot of things to do inside, and that's why I'm coming out by now. Now, Hapumo, take your medicine now.
Look at this idiot. Hey, Numa. I sent you go and get me my drugs. You went inside there and started to do other things. Don't you know that these drugs are important to me? Or you want my sickness to get worse?
Papa, what? Is it not your mates that have been dying? Now see, go and die, oh. Hapumo, stop giving me problems, so. Now take these drugs now. Take this thing, take this thing. Nonsense. Every time I know my this, I know my that. See, respect yourself, this man, no. Don't come and disturb him. I have a better place I want to go to.
Hi. You're back.
Yes.
You want Ube? Not now. Keep it for me.
Yeah, Enoma, take this bag. Hey, God, wow. Oh, Enoma, come, this woman. I don't understand, though. Do you take me as your house girl? Ha! know my this, I know my that. I know you. I'll be the one that you want to give this thing now. See, let me tell you, just take this thing inside and go and cook. I don't want too much and too much salt too. I know my this. I'm at your house, guys, eh? Now, Bonuzo, Papa. See, don't put that. Don't put too much salt and pepper. I don't like too much salt and pepper. Enuma, come back here. Every time, Enuma, come back here.
Enuma, I don't want to see window bandiavo. Enuma, Obuwoke, I don't know. Obuwanye, I did I'm sure.
Nee, you needed to see the embarrassment that girl that called herself Enuma gave to me. As if that was not enough, she chased me to my house.
Eh? You don't mean it?
My dear, if not for my father who came to my rescue, she would have fought me in my own house.
Come, you see anything? What did he say? Eh? Hey, I'm going to beat the living daylight out of you right now. That's why I followed you down to this. Look at this girl. Come, do you know who I am? I am Enuma.
So you followed me to this place just to engage in a fight with me?
Hey, this girl, See, let me tell you, as far as Enuma is in this village, I can enter anywhere. And that's why I followed you down to this place. Enuma, Biko, for my sake. Uju, stay out of this. If you don't want me to bounce on both of you right now, stay out of this, Uju.
Yeah, please, face her, please.
Uju, what did you just say? She should face me?
See, I don't have strength for any troubles at all. You people should just finish what you just started, please.
Come, Ada, you told me you're strong, isn't it? Eh? Ada, you told me you're strong, Okwaya? Today, we shall see who is stronger. Hear me here. Nah, I'm talking too much. I don't like talking too much. What are you saying then? Ada!
Fire me, make I fire you. Fire me, make I fire you. Fire me to fire you. Fire me, make I fire you. Fire me, make I fire you. Hey! Abomination! This is abomination! Enuma! You! What could be after them? Or could it be that Ada has entered into Enuma's pot of soup? Look, if that be done, I am sorry, there is nothing I can do for you. But Enuma, you are very lucky that you did not throw away my bottle of Shina. The both of us would have burst into Daily Sun or Vanguard. But anyway, listen. In fact, Dikeh was here. Look at me. A whole me. A red cap's small chief. You threw me away on the ground. You are going to pay 20 goats. 50 cow. Him. Lizard. Look at you are a very fine lizard. You see, you know one thing about lizards I like is that they praise themselves. Come, let us drink. Come and have a taste of my Shina. You see what the Shina just did here now? It resurrected me. Because this girl has almost killed me here. Come and drink with me. This is come and I like you. You are a human being. In fact, you are even better than human beings. Because you don't toil, you don't go to farm, but you eat. You see why I like me now? There must be a time the community they must provide something for me to eat. Alright. But anyway, Enuma, I have not forgotten. I'll be back for you. Fire me to fire you. Stop pushing me. Stop pushing me. My ancestors. That is for you. That is for you. That is God from Enuma.
Enuma, I don't want to window bandiavo. Enuma, Obuoke, I don't know. Obuani, I did I'm sure. Can you go melon kwazo? I'm out to ratatata like machine gun, insulting everyone. Enuma wamando.
Why you okay? Okay, Pico. Okay, why you? Okay. Hey, hey, somebody, please, it's okay. Hey, somebody, please help me. Somebody, open up piano. Okay. Hey, somebody come, please help. It's okay. Okay, you can't do this to me, okay?
How you doing now? I just died. Why are you panting like this?
Nah, it's sad news. I mean, something bad just happened.
Like what?
You will not believe that Enuma's father, Ichiokeke, is dead.
Ichiokeke?
He's dead.
Dead?
He died this morning. So sad. After suffering from this long cough and disease, he just died.
Hi.
So sad.
This is sad news.
Very sad.
Ah. Okay, in that case, let me go and see Enuma and her mother.
No problem, but the mother is not around. The mother has actually followed the corpse to the mortuary, but Enuma is in the house with some people.
Let me see her then. Hey!
Crying will not solve the problem. Stop crying. Now, I've gone through all this before. Take heart. It's okay. It's okay. For your mother, please. Don't let her see you like this. You will break her heart. Because of your
What is this I'm hearing about your father?
Papa, my papa don't work out.
Work out go where?
Papa, my father died now.
Hey. This is a bad news. What happened?
Maybe I'll see Mama ask now. My papa don't die. Don't leave me go.
It's okay, my dear. Stop crying.
No.
Crying will not solve this matter.
Papa, Mama crying.
See tears now.
But my father is dead now.
It's okay.
No, you don't cry.
Just be strong. Just be strong and take heart. Oh?
No, you don't cry.
It's just a pity. Hi. It's okay. Stop crying.
No, don't go. It's okay, never. It's okay. No, Papa, my father died.
Okay, stop crying.
am not supposed to do. Oh, please, I want you to make do with this. This is what I have left. As a matter of fact, I am not supposed to possess this kind of money. What I have is pounds. But because when I landed in the airport, all this immigration and people who were clearing goods and all that, they made me change. In fact, I gave them pounds. And in return, this is what they gave me. They said, this is my change. So I want you to make do with this in a note time. By the time I change my pounds from what it is to what it is not, I will have enough to give to you. You can come back by then. And I have a lot of drinks in the bag here. And I will also give you some money. So take this one. Make do with it.
It's a lie. This is a lie.
Wonderful, 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 wonderful.
Wake.
Ukono, my old friend.
Could this be you I am saying or your ghost?
I know you are not talking.
Hey!
The Shinab is talking. But be it as it may.
Oh.
It is not me. It is you who has gone into transmogrification state. As a matter of fact, it is not me. It is not me, erudite, barrister, legal luminary, Ignatius Nweke.
Bowam, this is wonderful. So, Nweke, you can now speak grammatical and it is good in your tongue.
Before I left the shores of this country to visit Buckingham Palace, where I had a good meeting with Queen Elizabeth, I thought we reported to the company that does Schnapp to come down with alcoholic metabolism, powerful papario. What is happening? Look at you. Well, let me tell you, my medulla oblongata is higher than your own now, and even before I left the shores of this country, even when I was an inhabitant of this habitat and among other Homo sapiens, my medulla oblongata has always been higher than yours.
This grammar is Quincy. This is a Quincy grammatical. Now, change the condition of the grammar. Make it more understandable to me.
Let me tell you, I speak good English now because I am a legal luminary.
I can see.
I speak good English because I am an erudite. I speak good English because I studied in Harvard University, where Queen Elizabeth was congratulating me and exchanging pleasantry. To your greatest dismay in this village, I have come to erect a powerful and standard chamber.
This one is out of it. This is China from the position of your tongue. This one is China, the way you position your tongue. Habitakwa. But look, where are you going from here? Why not take me to one you watch and feed me with more liquor now that we are finally back?
It will be an offense on Professor Barrister Legal Luminary Ignatius Nweke to add extra bottle to your state of liquefied mystic state of being. Means that you should go and take a comfortable room in a dungeon. As it is, I rest my case.
This is wonderful, Igina. Nweke. Listen.
Let me tell you, next time, if you want to address me, before you, I told you, I am an erudite. But let me not blame you now because you're under the influence of alcohol. Some minutes ago, I told you all my names. I am erudite, professor, legal luminary, barrister, Ignatius Nweke. Why are you calling me Nweke? What about other names? What about other my titles? Are you taking them away? Don't you ever address me without my titles. In Ania, even Queen Elizabeth in Buckingham Palace addresses me by that manner. Who are you? Respect yourself.
I see. This is wonderful. Look, Nweke. Whether you speak all the grammar you like in this world, you must get me that, Shona. I must come to one who was this place to get the Shona. Whether you like it or not. Hey! This is awesome. Ignatius cannot speak grammar, and it is good in his tongue. This is awesome. Hey! People should come and hear fire. This grammar is very awesome. Ignatius,
I am coming to one who works for my equal. Don't forget. Don't forget.
Enuma, Enuma, I'm warning you now. Enuma, leave me alone.
Now look at this guy.
Enuma, leave me alone.
Now come, shut up your mouth.
I don't want to fight you.
No, that's okay, dear. Hold it there. See you. The tata.
Enuma,
Now back where? See.
Enuma, I'm warning you. I don't want to fight you. Enuma, leave me alone.
Look at this idiot.
Enuma, I'm warning you.
Come, respect yourself. I'm going to face both of you now. No. Come and get away, you.
See, Enuma, I'm warning
Shut
you.
up. See, for the counting of one.
Enuma, leave my phone.
Come and get away, you can't leave my
phone.
No, come and get away, you.
Enuma, I'm warning you. I don't want to fight you.
Leave me alone.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
No,
thou shalt not kill. Thou shalt not kill. What a consanguineous vibe indeed. What?
Uju, Biko, what is Vivendi?
Amam, come, this man, who even brought into this case, sir?
Who invited me to this case?
Yes.
Look, my names are, in case you don't know, my names are Barrister, Erudite, Professor Ignatius Nweke. I just arrived this terrain and seeing you beautiful, eloquent and venacious girls, damsels for that matter, fighting, beats my imagination. I said no, as a legal luminary, I need to attend to this case and know what is wrong and what is right. You don't have to fight. But what are your nomenclatures? I understand that side. I know that side. Well, let me come down to your own understanding. To a layman English, I mean to say, what are your names?
Nazuzewe.
Oh, that is your name, Zuzewe.
Okay? You! Stupid people, useless bunch of people. Can't get away.
I remember this statue in England when I went to visit Queen Elizabeth. In the training ground, I saw a feminine who is as exactly as you are, and she was transformed into a male. This is that. Now let me tell you, breathe it down self like in African.
Where have you come from? I sent you out since to collect cassava stem. In Abata keke na waruno. Hey.
Now this woman, leave me alone, no. Leave me alone, no. I'm very, very tired. I need to rest. Leave me alone. What is it, sir?
Chiankwa, is it me you're talking to?
Hey, nah, that's what I'm
talking to you.
Nah, this one, leave me alone, no.
Enuma.
Oh.
My, oh my. Who is in this edifice? Do we have vertebrates dwelling in this terrain? Or am I just verbalizing? I mean to say, who the heck is in this abode? Ah! Who am I saying? Mine, oh mine, oh mine. Is this you? Yes, old papa. It is me, flesh and blood. It is a sardonic and opprobrious moment to see your faces once again. Let me ask, who is this small boy?
Biko. I know you've left this country for a long time. I mean, calm down with this your grammar so that at least we can understand you. Please.
Well, I should have thought of this. I should have known that attending academia is an impediment to people of this geographical hemisphere.
Oh.
That is to say, let me come down to your level. What I was saying was, who is this small boy?
Oh, this is my son now, Chetevna.
Wait. Oh my, oh my. The juvenile that I saw before I left the shores of this country has grown into a big boy.
Exactly. That is to show you that you have left this country for a long time.
This is wonderful. Look at this Ngongo na Ngongo looking so hilarious.
Thank you.
By the way, what is your nomenclature?
I don't understand.
It's all right. It's all right. I mean to say, what are you called?
Okay. My name is Chetanna.
Chetanna. What an opprobrium. What? Look, Papa, do you know when I was walking into this place, I was expecting to see an old man walking with his walking stick, even an old woman. Oh, look at you, bouncing.
It's
me.
Hey! You're welcome once again.
Thank you very much.
Hey.
Thank you very much.
Welcome back to the village.
It's my pleasure. Enough of this ground. Let's go inside. At least welcome you and give you some food to eat. Come on, come inside. Come inside. This is very palatable. Yeah, it's very, very palatable. Even when I visited Queen Elizabeth, this was the first thing she did. Oh my man, oh my God. Oh, this is wonderful.
Why is it that your mother doesn't like me?
Who said she doesn't like you?
I know, and I think it's high time I stop associating with you.
Here. Afam, my nigga, don't say that now. No, don't say that now.
I will say it too. Because your mother thinks I'm the one spoiling you, whereas I've warned you, I've talked to you to stop all this character, but you never listen to me.
Okay, see, I promise I'm going to stop fighting.
You will change. You that I've advised 100 times and you never listen to me.
Afam.
After now you go back and do the worst.
No! Me? Afam, I swear I will not fight with anybody in this village. Trust me now. Believe me.
Are you sure?
I swear.
Touch the sand.
Right.
Touch this.
I'm sorry, don't trust me.
Don't do it.
I swear to God. Afam, sing that song you sang for me the other day in my house. I like it.
Numa, I'm not in the mood now to sing any song, please. I'm not just in the mood.
Afam, it's not fair. Sing now.
Okay, tomorrow. I'll sing for you tomorrow. Are you okay with that?
Yeah, cross your heart.
Numa, I said I would sing for you tomorrow now.
Afam, this thing you're doing is cheating, no? You told me to touch floor, I touch floor. Now you don't want to cross your heart.
Because we can see the floor. But my heart, you cannot see it. So how do you want me to cross my heart? Okay, I'm touching my chest now. Are you okay with that?
My Niki. Niki in the whole village.
Igne, now that you are back to the village, what are your plans?
Well, Uncle, my plans are numerous. I have numerous plans. As a matter of fact, I have come to... In fact, I want to precipitate my actions as quickly as possible.
Igne, I've told you, whenever you are talking to me, calm down with this your grammar so I can understand you.
Uncle, I have always known that illiteracy is a very big disease. Well, what I am saying is this. I want to execute my plans as quickly as possible. That is what I mean.
And what plan are you talking about?
What plan am I talking about? What plan? Well, Uncle, you know that I am a lawyer, a legal luminary for that matter. So I have decided to erect a powerful chamber in this village, after which I will settle down.
Oh, that word settle down is what I'm interested in. I want you to get a wife so that I can give my late brother grandchildren.
Yes.
That is all I want.
That is not far-fetched. On my way, I saw some pretty damsels. I said to myself, it is near. You know.
Look, in this village, there are a lot of pretty girls. Choose one and I will follow you to their house and marry her for you. That's all. That's my plan.
You don't say?
Yes, that's why I'm your uncle.
This is absolute. I love that.
Yes.
Queen Elizabeth must hear this, and she will be very glad to hear this. Queen Elizabeth of Buckingham Palace.
What are you walking up and down for? What is it?
Hey.
Eh?
Mama,
for your information, you're the one that will cook these beans when I'm done.
Sit down. See, Mama, I need money. In fact, I need change and money. Anyone?
You need some money.
Yes.
You need some change.
Yes.
And you expect me to give it to you. I don't know possible.
Hey. Hey. Mama, please now. Please, I need money now. I want to get 1 or 2 things now.
If you need change your money, go and hustle like your mates. Look, your mates are out there. Some are farming, some are selling pure water, braiding hair, doing all kinds of things. Find something to do. Hustle on one, hustle.
Is this all you have to say? Eh? Akwaya? Wicked woman. God is watching you.
And the devil is equally watching you. Seeing all you're doing. Go and provide for yourself.
Hey! Mama, other mothers out there giving their children money. But you, Mbanu, Akabom, wicked woman.
Nem, you will not see my faking. In the
game. Nah, get away.
Get away. I'm buying kitty. You won't want. Nem, say, what you.
I don't know. Obuwani, I did I'm sure. Gane puko melone me kwazo. I'm out to ratatata like machine gun, insulting everyone. Enuma waman noba. I don't care about Jarema, some back on a bar. Enuma waman noba. I'm out to ratatata like machine gun, insulting everyone. Enuma waman noba. I don't care about Jarema, some back on a bar. Enuma waman noba.
Yeah? Where are you going?
Shebi, you said I should go and hustle. I'm going to hustle so I can make money.
What kind of a child are you? Eh?
Mama, let me tell you, I am your one and only daughter. In fact, your only child for that matter. So, you know, like mother, like daughter. You understand? Hey, Mama, you see these things you're cooking, eh? I don't want it to be too much sauce. You know, I don't like too much salt in the beans. And don't make it too much soft, okay? I'm coming back.
And what is even in this thing that
you're having, Mama?
You think you're a boy? There's nothing there. It's flat.
Adao, I forgot to ask you. How did you go with Enuma the other day? Oh, my dear, I wonder what I did to that girl for her to hate me that much. Sometimes I wonder the kind of girl she really is. As long as I'm concerned, Enuma is a bad egg and must be removed from the good ones before she contaminates us all. One thing is sure, any day she tries me, Mwabuchechi, in this village, I will show her the stuff I'm made of. Bikokwa, I don't have strength for anyone's trouble. Let's go. You remember what she did to me the last time? Bikokwa, Bikokwa, Bikokwa. No. Let us talk of more important thing and forget about this Enuma. Like what? Ada, did you remember that man that saved you the other day from Enuma? I separated the fight between you and Enuma. What about him? I heard he just returned from the white man's land. And guess what? What? He is here to pick a wife. That's interesting. With all those big grammar, which girl will marry such a man? I will, oh. This year will not pass me by at all. I'm not getting younger. I will. My dear, you're right. Maybe we should go and pay him a visit. Who knows? He might fall in love with any of us. Exactly. Yeah. Because let's go and fetch up and go home too. As if you're not interested. Don't mind her. Let's go, Jerry. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, I can't wait to pay him a visit. My niece.
My
What is this I'm hearing?
Nah, first give me 5 first.
What am I hearing, Inuma?
Now what are you even hearing?
That you now beat the elders of this land. Even ask one to sit on the floor the other day, Inuma.
Now what is it, sir? It's been a long time, sir. Now see, my nigga, all those useless elders, they are telling me in this village, Joe. They are telling me in this village. Is it not that Dikeh, whatever they call him? He now slapped me here the other day. And what they call him? Obago, whatever they call him. That one is looking for my trouble. Now I will kill that man. I will lift him down. What is it, sir? Now tell them to respect yourself in this village, Joe. They should not try me.
It's even true. Enuma, what is wrong with you? What are you doing to yourself? Eh? Don't you know you're bringing curse upon yourself and your family? Eh? By disrespecting these men. They are elders, for God's sake.
See, my nigga, I understand. You know, I understand. But tell them to avoid my trouble. Tell them to avoid Enuma's trouble in this village. Please. Hmm?
Excuse me.
Papa, are you going? Hi. Nah, this is my nigga said, man. Papa, please come back now. Okay, I will not beat them again. Papa, please now. Papa, nah, my nigga. Hi. Now, what kind of stupid error is this?
Prof, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
We're actually on our way to your house.
As a matter of fact, I have seen everything good about this afternoon. You are going to my house. What a wonderful thought. What a suboxone thought. What a marvelous action. Let me tell you, I am so joyous, so happy inside of me to be made in awareness that you and you and you are actually trying to locate my Abu. I'm joyous inside. By the way, where is one of you?
We all are here.
No. One person is missing. I'm talking about the young lady who fought the other day. The one who brandished SS power. The one who brandished SS muscle. She is not here.
That must be Numa. Prof, she's no longer our friend.
She's no longer your friend. Why, if I may ask? Anyway, let me not meddle much into trivialities. It is not my case to handle at this moment. Let me put it aside. Let me ask you one good question. Please, whose daughter is she? Where can I find her Abu?
She's the daughter of late Ichu Okeke.
Ah, that name Ichu Okeke. Ha! That name sounds familiar. I think I have come in acquaintance with such name, Ichu Okeke. I have come in acquaintance. That is, by the way. Let me... Oh, sorry. Pardon my excesses. Pardon my manners. Because even in England, when I visited Queen Elizabeth in Buckingham Palace, she said, don't keep pretty damsels waiting, standing. Do you understand? Now, I am offering you this, and I believe that you will not refuse. Let us go to my house. I came back from England, Buckingham Palace, with some German England wines. Let's go to my house so that I can give you a befitting accolade. Give me some wine that was given to me by Queen Elizabeth in Buckingham Palace before I left. Let us go. No, don't say no. Don't refuse my offer. Let's go. It is simple. It's, no. Come over. Come over. Let's go. You know, this is how it is. When you see beautiful, pretty dance. No, come on. Are you coming?
me make I fire you. And where are all these beautiful consignments coming from? This beauty is awesome. It's beyond me. This beauty is absolutely beyond me.
Only help yourself.
Only God knows the kind of enjoyment my learned friend has been into. Hey, but then no con. When I have this kind of heavy duty at my disposal, I will not fear June talk more of July. I will, with courage, embrace the succulentness of the earth chambers. And even when I die, after climbing, I know heaven will forgive me. And they will receive me. Because I've seen the correctness of the chambers. But then, Ignatius, you have to explain to me why you have to undergo this kind of enjoyment without informing me. This waste is awesome. This ass is awesome. Hey, Ignatius, my friend. This is absolutely inconsequential.
That reminds me. You shouldn't have told that professor whose daughter Eloma is now. Why? Why shouldn't I? Don't you know he might actually go after her, leaving us? He will do no such thing. Trust me, he won't. Yeah. And how are you sure he won't? With the kind of attitude that Enuma is putting up, which man would look at her? Why are you people scared now? Why are you... Let's go. Why are you scared? We'll just wait. In fact, we pray so. He will not try such. Let's go. Because people should not be scared now. Okay. Huh? Why will you be scared? Who will look at that girl and... Why wouldn't they be scared? Who? Enuma. Ha. No. Okay. No one will look at her. Hey! Nah, look how it's my friend. Nah, it's mad. Welcome. Thank you. Hey! Hey! Actually, I was just coming from the house and you told me you went to the market. Hey, my sister. Nah, I went to the market to get this thing they call MP3. MP3. So I'll be using it to be, you know, keep myself going, Very, very good.
Enoma, we need to talk. A lot has happened while I was away. I can't believe your father died and no one told me about it.
Sister, you've seen it now. Nah, that's life for you now.
Yes. Your mom told me a lot of bad things about you.
My mother? Like what and what?
Like you disrespecting her now. Even throwing water containing pepper on her. What would have happened to her if not for God? She would have gone blind by now. How by Enuma? Why should you do such to your mother?
Don't say it again. See, if you don't want me to just leave you now, just change this topic now. No, change this topic.
So you never change?
No, I don't like this thing you're saying. No, I better pack one side. Let's forget about that thing. No, I better, you're looking fine. No.
Black marker.
No, what is all these things? No, look at my girlfriend. Hey, this girl, compassion.
Thank you.
It's too much. Look how you're fine. All these things you're rubbing on your face. All this shine. No, you're looking fine.
You mean makeup?
Yes. No, you're looking fine on it too.
They sell it in the market.
That means I'll go to the market and get it now. So you come and teach me how to rub it.
Why not? I'll go with you. If you want to go, just call me. I will join you. They sell fake ones.
Hey, I'll go and buy it. But you're looking fine, no? Hey, Kapasha! Sorry for the bad. Nah, give me five. It's too much. Hey, my sister, you look fine, no?
Thank you.
Girl, no, please.
I need to start going.
Hey, you need that. Now this girl fine, no? Fine girl, no pimple. Hey,
Nah. Hey, now this girl is fine.
Hey, come on, sir. It's too much. It's too much. Stand there for the bus.
Okono, let me profile an advice to you. Okono, you have to take it easy.
Thank you.
Take it easy because you're already high.
Thank you.
Taking more of this, adding into your system, will aggravate your highness. Take it easy.
Look, Ignatius, whether aggravate or aggravating over Okono is permanent with Shana and palm wine. Because that is the way forward. It is the thing that works with the system. You see, when you take much of this, you don't seek. And that reminds me, you said you want to open up your chambers here in this village.
Of course, that is my first priority, to open a resound chamber in this community.
In that case, you will make me your judge, one of your chief judges. Yes.
Who?
Me, of course. Me. Or don't I deserve it? I deserve more of that.
Okono, let me tell you, instead of me to make you a judge in my court, I rather use a lunatic. What am I even saying? You're a lunatic, oh. Of course you're a lunatic. Judging by the state of your being, you are a lunatic. Okono, let me ask you. Let me ask you one interesting question. Supposing I decide to make you a judge in my court, with which face will you use to judge the cases?
You don't know. Do I now have two faces? Does Okono have two faces?
You have face alone.
You don't know this face. It was with this face I judged case Empire and I won a gold medal.
Okono, it is very obvious that you don't have ambition. Of course you don't have ambition. You are trying to tell me where you won a case in Panya. You did not even mention, in fact, let me tell you, Panya is behind. We're talking about the front. You understand? If you had told me you won a case in England, where the Queen Elizabeth resides, Buckingham Palace, I don't deal with people who wins case in Panya. I deal with people who are in Buckingham Palace, legislatives, parliaments, and not Panya people.
Thank you.
Obrogena, you tell me Ouagadougou.
Thank
you. Correct, Bene? Let me tell you, I don't have words for you. In fact, you are a prolific sycophant.
Thank you. That one is a nice English. It sounds well in my ear. I love that one. I love that one. That is a fine name.
Of course, because it befits you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Enuma, you're back from the market.
No, I'm not back. I'm still in the market. You're seeing me and you're asking me stupid questions. Nah, respect, go. Respect yourself.
Me? Useless. Nne, talk to your mother with some degree of respect.
See, who is your daughter, Seth? Who is your daughter? Cut away you in a kuferu. Who is your daughter? That reminds me. What did you even tell Esbere, my friend?
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Ebele, your friend, has passed to the university. She's serving now. No, and you're busy loafing around. You refuse to do anything. Go to school, Mba. Do business, Mba. Farming, Even when we can to make money, nothing. You cannot do anything to save yourself. You're just useless, causing one problem or the other throughout the village.
Is that all you have to say? Anyway, that is not even my business. But see, let me warn you. Let me sound this as a note. In fact, it's information. I'm giving you information now. Don't you ever in your life say any bad thing about me to anybody in this village. You know, no. Don't you use this your useless mouth and talk to anybody in this village concerning me. The day you try it, the day you try it, this woman, I will kill you. You know, no. Useless woman. Winch. See, don't try me, oh. Don't try me. Just cook this thing fast now. I'm inside the house. And don't put it too much salt. You know, I don't like too much salt. You know, you're saying what does not even concern you. Respect yourself, this woman, no. Winch.
Useless woman. Winch. So what do you? If it's good, it's acceptable to you. What the mama?
The money from my bank. You took my money without my permission. Now go and bring that money. Mama, no! Have you become a thief? Mama, I don't care there. No, Mama, hold it there. Now, what kind of woman is this one, safe? Which one is money? Nah, pack away.
Oh, you're going out, eh? You will give me my money before you go anywhere.
Hey! Now look at how people will just accuse innocent people of stealing money. No, Mama, as you can see, I'm going to an important occasion.
You see, give me my money, or see, I'm going to an important getting. Give me my money. You're not going anywhere until you give me back my money.
Like on the man now. Mama, stop hooking me now. No, leave me alone now. Mama, leave me alone. Leave me alone now.
Why? You can't do anything. You can't do more than a rotten dead rat. Give me my money.
Mama, see, Mama, let me warn you. If by mistake you mistakenly clean this makeup now, Mama, I'm going to give it. Mama, you're super how you do? It was on job.
You want to dress like woman today?
Sir, go down here, like, give me my money.
You're not going anywhere till you
Now this winch, leave me alone, no.
Kill me. If you want to kill me, kill me.
Villagers! Now leave me alone. This woman, no, leave me alone now. I'm going to Jaja. Leave me alone now.
I want to die.
Mama,
give me my money.
Mama,
give me my money.
Okay, Mama. If I count 3 and you don't leave me, Mama, I'm going to deal with you.
Okay.
Mama, I will kill you.
Mama,
I will deal with you.
I have heard you now.
Mama, 1.
Them 2.
Mama, 3, 4. Mama, Mama,
give me my money, my friend. Give me my money.
No, look at this woman.
Let me go.
Mama, fight.
Let me go. Young man. Villagers. Get on your no. Help!
What is funny? Illiteracy is really a disease. You're insulting me because you went to school and you came out and become a corporation. And you came now, you're just insulting me because you went to school. Why? What's so bad?
I'm sorry, I'm not insulting you. But where did you get the makeup you used in designing your face like this?
Since you did not teach me how to make up, I decided to go to the market so I can get makeup for myself. Am I not beautiful?
And where are you going like this?
I'm going to see her and my friend. Nah, pack well. Let me go and see my friend. What are you saying? No problem.
Insulting everyone. I don't care how Jarema, some back on a bar. I'm out to ratatata like machine gun, insulting everyone. I don't care how Jarema, some back on a bar.
What a beautiful damsel. You look beautiful. I must confess.
Are you serious? Thank you.
I make bold to ask this question. Did you do this makeup for yourself, or did someone compel you to do this makeup? Because you look so horrible on this makeup. I don't know, I can't.
Nah, I did it myself now. Is it not fine?
You did this yourself? Yeah. It's all right. It's okay. It's okay. Having made this makeup, I want to let you know that, as a matter of fact, I have the quest, to build my empire in this hemisphere. And because I need to live in this hemisphere, or in my edifice, with a pretty queen like you, so I say, let me make this offer to you that I want you to be my wife, with who I will live, or I will occupy this edifice that I'm about to erect in the nearest future. So I don't know how you will take this, but do not refuse my offer.
Nah, but don't go here there. What is it, sir? You and this your big English. See, respect yourself and go your way. Take a chill pill and relax. Now, no, see, don't disturb me. Pack well.
Look at you. Look at you. As a matter of fact, you are supposed to pity yourself. Because I cannot define your species. I cannot define your species. In the kingdom of animals, you are a champion there. Look at how you disfigured your face in the name of making up. I gave you an offer that every other reasonable girl, every other reasonable species in the feminine system will jump at. I gave it to you. You are doing open gap for me. I am telling you, this is inconsequent.
I'm out to ratatata like machine gun, insulting everyone.
My niggy.
And
The only niggy I have in this village. Nah, I'm fine. What's up?
Anyway, I'm going to your house.
I was on my way going to your house.
Actually, I'm going to your house too. And this is what is this you have in your face?
It's makeup.
What kind of makeup is this? Eh?
Is it not fine?
This is not fine. This is not how to do makeup. You're looking like a masquerade. But
the professor said it's fine. Why are you even laughing, Seth?
He's mocking you. Nobody in his right senses will tell you that this is fine. It's not fine at all.
Is that all you have to say?
Yes.
Okay, since you don't like it now, let me go and clean it.
Okay, I like it. I like it.
Are you sure?
Anyway, I'm going to your house. So let's start going.
Why not? Let's go to your house now.
No. I have something to discuss with you. So let's go.
I don't know. Obuwanye, I did I'm sure. Gane puko melone me kwazo. I'm out to ratatata like machine gun.
You're just smiling. Meanwhile, how was your exams?
It went well, just that we are waiting for the results.
Okay. I assure you, you're going to pass.
Ah, serious?
Yeah.
Thank you.
It's okay. I'm going to see my friend. I will see you. Okay?
Can I get a hug from you? At least a harmless one.
It's okay.
Get away, you. What kind of joke is this one now? What kind of hug is this one?
Anyway, what's the meaning of all this now? So you have been following us?
Yes, I'll follow you. I'll follow you.
Hey.
What will come and hug our fam for what now?
You're just a terrible person.
Afam, let's just go. Let's go.
What is wrong with you? You're so terrible.
Come! You think I don't know your plan in this village? Eh? Nah, it will not work. Let me just tell you, nah, it will not work. Nanom.
Hey, Enuma, is Afam your boyfriend?
Yes.
Is he your husband?
No.
Eh? So why are you always poke-nosing? Eh? Can't you just be yourself? Stop disturbing. You disturb too much. See, let me just tell you something. I'm really not in for your troubles today.
Get away, you. Afam, my lady. Nah, to the one. Afam. Oh. Afam, wait for me now.
Enuma, tell me the truth. Are you having an affair with Afam?
Obiakwa. Which one is having an affair with Afam? No, I don't understand this your question you're giving me this afternoon. Yeah.
My friend, I'm only asking you because I have my own reasons for asking.
Ikuchana. One. Ebere. How many times have I called you?
Just twice.
Everybody in this village knows Afam is my best friend. And he's more like a brother to me. So full stop.
Enuma, if Afam is more like a brother to you and Afam is your best friend, why is it that you always intrude each time you see us together?
So intrude. Because I don't like it.
Hmm?
Yes.
You don't like it?
Yes.
Enuma, you just have to change this your character and this your way. Because you're disturbing so many things. You're disturbing so many things.
My dear, I don't like it. Take it or leave it.
Then come out pure.
Stop. Now, cut away.
This malt, it's like the yeast inside it. So, drink now.
Honey.
He's a lie, he's man. Let me see. I think it's so good.
Anyway, what's the meaning of all this now? Eh?
I see, what is my problem? Come, this stupid girl. How many times have I warned you to stay away from her? Are you deaf? You know, I'm not...
Enoma, what is it? Are you not the one to tell me how to live my life? Or you want to leave it for me?
What is it? Come. Get out of here.
What? Afam, did you hear that?
Hey! Look at this girl. Wait, so when I was warning you to stay away from Afam, was I carrying water in my mouth? Eh? Now stay away from here.
Enuma, what's the meaning of all this now? If I don't leave, what will you do? Eh? What will happen?
Hey! No, go bust you to my head. Are you mad? Now look at this. Look at this girl.
Who is your Nick? What is it? Are you getting crazy or what? Eh?
The reason I'm doing this is because that girl is a flex. Yes. Now this girl has slept with all the boys in this community, including Chinonso, Emeka, Michael, and even Ikenna from your mother's village. Eh? No, I don't want you to catch sickness from this girl. I know she's my friend. But I don't want you to come close to her ukunu. Because I don't want you to carry that Golokaku or Okojonsho. Eh? You know that thing used to...
If I carry it, is it your business? Is it your bum? Is it your body?
Nah, my Nikki, I don't want you to get that her sickness. You know, that girl, stop. They make here too much. Eh? Nah, my Nikki. No, let me tell you.
If you touch this more, then I'll deal with you now.
Nah, my nigga, I won't bust her head again.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch that mouth. Don't touch it. Just watching me. Don't touch it.
My nigga. My nigga.
I will use this on you. Be watching me.
My nigga. My one nigga in this village. Now let me just...
I said don't touch it. Leave it. Leave it. Be watching it. You're wicked. Wonderful edifice. This is wonderful edifice. Wonderful edifice, I must confess. This is the kind of edifice I saw in Congo on my way to England to visit the Queen Elizabeth. That is because I was trying to connect with Croatia, and France had said that they are the champions, and that is today. Wonderful. You are a beautiful young lady. Damsel, how are you?
First of all, peace be unto you. And secondly, how may I even help you?
This is totally unacceptable. This is inconsequential regarding to a well-trained young lady. First of all, why won't you offer me a seat?
As the equal or what?
Oh my. You sound so holistic, like you don't know me. You don't know my name. In case you've lost that memory, let me bring you down that memory lane. My humble name remains, like you know, barrister, engineer, professor, esquire, require, all the things that has choir, apart from the chorister. I am barrister, esquire, Ignatius Weke. the only endorsed barrister by all the judges of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, on that day in the Federal High Court. I have come to this place with all sincerity to take you as my own wife. Let us be like Adam and Eve. So I said, let me take you as my wife in this Garden of Eden.
Nah, you're 5.
I don't have 5. I have 1. Let me make bold to ask this question. What is funny about my voluminary vocabulary and vibration?
What?
Let me not pour out my angry demus, because it has become into jidemus, and I do not want. Let me ask you, what is confusing about my voluminary, about my vibration? What is wrong with it? Is it that you don't understand, or what?
Hey, nah. See this man, I don't get your time, oh. Now, if you see me like this, now, I don't get your time, oh. And no, man, not just get your time. They hear him. So back where? See, if I don't want to see you. Get out of this compound.
Mine, oh mine, oh mine. Let me tell you, no feminine species or Homo sapient has ever addressed me in this manner. Not before, not today. Not even Queen Elizabeth of Buckingham Palace has ever addressed me in this manner. I will pardon your excesses. Otherwise, if I charge you to High Court of Appeal, I will sentence you to a prison of no return because of this singular act. You have failed the Constitution of Human Rights, Section 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and other sections that are very close to it. To this end, let me rest my case. Because, in fact, as it is, let me take my leave. I beg to take my leave, whether you like it or not. Barrister Esquire Ignatius Nweke will leave. I'm sorry.
Now
look at this street man.
My baby, my baby. Oh baby. Who is behind all this beauty? Tell me.
There's nobody.
Now that you're through with camp, when are you going to start doing all those your NYC work?
We were just given 2 weeks, but I'm going to stay more than that. You know, I don't have money, so I need enough time to raise money.
Okay.
And you know how the federal government stipend is.
It's okay. That's all right. That's all right. No problem.
Afam, I want us to discuss something very important.
Okay. What is that?
So, Afam, after all these years, you still allow that illiterate of a girl, Enuma, to come very close to you.
Magonu.
Hey! Now what is it, sir? Wait, who they call illiterate? Now me? Hey! Now look at this small girl, oh. So you still have the guts, the charismatism because of this your copper youth. You have the guts to be saying all sort of rubbish, okay? You have the guts to insult me, Enuma, one man in this village.
Isn't that what you have? Are you not an illiterate? Enuma. Eh? So after all these years, you still throw people around. Follow. So after all these years, So how come you found us here?
My nigga. Nah, wait oh. Didn't you tell this girl that Enuma is the king of all jungles in this village?
Jungle my foot.
Oh, okay. No wahala. No problem.
My friend, see, just shut up. Do you know what you are? You're just a bunch of disgrace.
Mama.
Yes. Did you go to school? Did you know what is NYSC? Can you spell it? Or P? Did you know what all that are called?
Afam. My nigga. Now you're here, this girl is telling me all these things. Nah, come cut away you. Wait oh. In fact, nah, my nigga, it's because of you. Afam, it's because of you.
You are still Itibolibo. Anything you like, do. Enuma or P-E-T, eating pataka, that's what you are. Eh? Yes.
Hey!
Iti volleyball, Enuma, use your head. Use your head.
Hey!
I don't have your time, people.
Hey! My nigga. It's because of you. Let me just pause. It's because of our family. My nigga. My nigga is because of you. It's because of you. I would have dealt with that girl. My nigga.
Wonderful, wonderful. I bring you greetings from the stable of Queen Elizabeth and other monarchs from Europe.
You're welcome, but who are you?
All right, let me start with this. My nomenclature remains Barrister Ignatius. I flew into this terrain with first class. As a matter of fact, during my academics, I came out with first class. That is to say, I am a first class material. If you doubt me, I can open my briefcase.
No, you don't have to bother. Don't show me anything. Because I really don't understand what you're talking about.
Oh, sorry. Let me come down to your understanding. What I mean is this. I am an inhabitant, in fact, a natural and freeborn of this land, who was away a long time. I came back not quite long from London.
Oh, if I may ask, whose son are you? From which family?
Oh, which family are you from and who is your father? She asked. Well, I am the only surviving son of Chief Mazi Nweke.
Ichienweke?
Yes.
The late Ichienweke?
Good.
Eshoku?
Yes.
Nna? Chanko? Sit down.
This is wonderful.
You're welcome.
This
Sit
is
down.
wonderful. You just exhibited a character of Queen Elizabeth. The very first day I saw her in Buckingham Palace, she mopped all the floor for me to sit. As a matter of fact, she offered me coffee. That is by the way. Well, I have come to ask, is your pretty damsel daughter around? She is the reason I am here.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Well, she's not around. She's out.
Oh, she went out?
Yes.
What do you suggest I do?
Well, you sit down and wait for her.
As a matter of fact, for her sake, I can even lie down.
No, let's start with the sitting
Oh,
first.
that's wonderful.
Yes.
That is wonderful. Honestly speaking, when I breathed into this place and heard you speak, something tells me, in fact, something told me that you are like the Queen of England, Queen Elizabeth.
My second name is Eliza.
You don't say?
I'm telling you.
Wonderful. This is fantabulous. I said it. When I heard you speak, I said this is exactly the voice of Queen Elizabeth. Let me tell you, it is no longer Elizabeth. It is Queen Lizzie.
Look at this one. She knows how to copy me. I am now called Lilibet.
You don't mean it?
I'm telling you.
Lilibet.
Yes.
Queen Lizzie will hear this. That in my place, there is Queen Lilibet.
Yes. So what do I offer you? I cannot give you a cup of coffee like Lizzie, but I can offer you a glass of water.
It will do. It will do. Make
right.
it chill. Make it chill. Do you have refrigerator that can chill the standard of water I take in Europe?
We have fridge.
You have fridge.
Yes.
Refrigerating.
Nah, that girl Enuma, she has beaten more than she can chew.
Honestly, it is high time we teach her a lesson that she will never forget. Before I left for school, she threatened to fight me. And not even only that, she insulted my parents. For now, I'm back for her.
We need to do something about her. Honestly, we need to.
Yes, we have to. Because she's now feeling like she owns this entire village.
Enuma must hear from me. I promise her.
So, I'm
telling you. Before I left for school.
I'd like to know what your plans are since your father is no more. For Pico, think very well before you answer.
Mama, where is this one coming from now? Eh? Wait, do you want me to go and hustle again like you've always told me?
No. It's not that I want you to hustle. There's no need for that. As a matter of fact, since you started dressing like a young girl, men are beginning to notice you. There's one man that came to ask for your hand in marriage, and the man has good prospects.
Mama, who is the man?
Barrister Ignatius, late Nweke's son. He just came back from abroad. He's doing very well.
Ignatius! Hey! Enoma, you have suffered. You have seen something.
Do you know him?
See, Mama, I can see you don't have handwork. In fact, you are corn, you don't have handwork. Now leave me now, let me rest. Tori.
I didn't say in Guinea, I said Ignatius.
Mama, please now. Hey,
I said to Fiakwa once more. I forbid you from having anything to do with that girl called Enuba. She's evil.
Uncle, leave this your Fiakwa and your Fiakwarin. Leave this to Fiakwa and your Fiakwarin. Let me tell you, Uncle, as a matter of fact, you have thrown me into a confused state that I cannot find myself. Let me ask you, Uncle, what has Enoma done wrong to make you tell me that I will not marry her? What has she done wrong? What is wrong about her?
Ignatius, look elsewhere. Your own good. Leave that girl alone.
I should look elsewhere. I should leave that girl alone. Uncle, the very day I was counting my plans to you, I counted, one of my plans was I wanted to get married. Settle down and you sanctioned it. Now I came back to tell you that I have seen somebody I want to marry. You're telling me not to marry this girl. Tell me what is wrong with it. Let me tell you, no matter what you say, no matter what you do, as a matter of fact, I met her mother who sanctioned, consented to my marrying this girl. So nothing you can do about it.
Ignatius, if I tell you what that girl did to me and my wife few days before you came back, you will not believe it.
Uncle, don't tell me that one. Whatever thing that transpired between you and your wife and Enoma is your own business, not my own business. You have done nothing wrong to me to judge her in this manner you're judging her. If Enoma comes to me and do something wrong, I know she has challenged me directly. But judging her by what transpired between you, your wife, and her is not my business, and I can never be my business. Let me tell you, Uncle. Nobody. This girl is a girl that I have decided to settle down with. The girl that I have decided to marry. Nobody born of a woman, not even you, not even your wife, can change my mind from marrying this girl. Let me tell you, Uncle, with due respect, merci beaucoup. Au revoir, monsieur. Allez, vous tous.
Ignatius, come back here. Are you walking out on me?
No.
Hey!
Leave him alone.
Hey!
By the time Enoma teaches him small lesson, nobody will tell him to change his mind. Let's go inside. Leave him. Let him go.
Hey! It's all right. No problem.
Now, why was this in our head?
Here comes my learned friend, who has read all the book there is in the world. including the ones in the underworld, beneath the world, and off the world. And currently, he wants to build his own world. I respect him because you traveled out and came back with briefcase. That is why I love you so much.
Fantastic, oh, yes. Fantastic. I love the praises. I love the end of the praises. You said, I traveled far and near. I came back with briefcase. That is to say that I achieved something. Others went and came back with nothing. But I came back with briefcase. And the content of this briefcase are things that will please your heart. What am I talking about? As a first class material, if you open this briefcase, all you see here are first class tools. But that is by the way. Let me keep it aside. Well, my old good friend, thank you very much for all the praises. My old good friend who have turned himself into a certified drunk. Formerly you were not like this. You decided to go this way, but that is not by the way. Let me tell you, young man, anytime you begin to do these praises to me, I know you are up to something. Tell me, what are you up to this time?
Wonderful question. This question is wonderful. I was actually on my way to your house before I met you here. Okay. Now that I have seen you here, I need some capital to refill my shina. I am running out of stock.
It's all right. There is no problem. Make do with this.
Thank you very much. Him! This is awesome. This is awesome. Ignatius Weke. Thank you so much. Ignatius Weke. The soon to be barrister, professor of this community.
You have gotten what you're looking for, so why would you open your mouth to talk nonsense?
Were you talking to me?
No, I wasn't talking to you. I was talking to some other person.
Thank you.
As a matter of fact, have a nice day.
Thank you. Thank you, Weke, the soon to be king of our land. Remember to make me one of your judges when you open your chambers. Thank you very much. This is great. When you go to here, I come. Him. This is Bowa. Hey, this is Bowa. Thank you. When you go to here, I come. Who wants the wine? Here I come. Who come? Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Honestly speaking, this is...
I've been waiting for you.
Do you know that you cannot cheat nature? I was coming from my uncle's house. It was dry there. Only for me to hit the road and experience the rain. You cannot cheat nature. Nature is so wonderful. Honestly.
You know, I've been here before it started raining.
Of course, I left before the rain. You know. What's a debilitating consanguinity?
What did you say?
Oh, sorry. I mean to say, I am happy to see you here.
Thank you. Prof, I want to tell you that I like you and your big grammar.
Wonderful. You see, I am overwhelmed, joyous inside. You know, this is how you speak when you are an erudite. This is how you speak when you are a legal luminary. This is how you speak when you are a professor. You understand? Without mincing words, I want to let you know that I like you too.
Hey, really?
Yeah. Of course. You know what? Alright. The weather is cloudy and it is raining. And I'm sure, having waited for a very long time under this rain, your body system, at least, must have attracted some kind of cold. you know, and you deserve a German, an England wine, that which Queen Elizabeth of Buckingham Palace gave to me on the day I was departing England. Let me take you inside and show you my revivification and retrospective love, in fact, undying love, which I have for you.
I don't understand.
Oh, sorry. Once again, what I meant is, let us go inside so that I can offer you a drink as a result of, to express how I feel deep down inside of me for you.
Okay.
Wonky.
After you now.
Let's move in.
After you.
Alright. No, go in.
Enuma, I called you here so we can discuss.
Discuss about what? Oh, have you? Don't tell me you're finally gone to meet that Ashawo. That Akuno.
Who? I don't understand. What are you talking about?
Osim, what am I talking about? Exactly what you know I'm talking about, Afa.
Anyway, I called you here to tell you that my father is making plans for me to go to the city and learn trade and make meaning out of my life. That's why I'm here.
City? Afam or Mame? To fear is impossible.
I don't understand how.
So, you want to leave me in this whole village, Okwaya? You want to leave me to suffer? Afam, and now I know you're not a good friend. In fact, let me tell you, I'm going to that city with you.
As what?
As your best friend. Yes, as your best friend. So when you requested that we become best friends, you don't know Okwaya? Isobadro. Let me tell you my own good news too. I am going to that same city so I can go to father school and become father.
Reverend sister, you mean?
Anyone. Papa, what's the meaning of this one now? Are you laughing at me now?
So funny, everything is funny. You said you want to go to seminary school and become a reverend father. You're a woman, you cannot be a reverend father. Rather, you become a reverend sister, and sisters go to convent. Why fathers? Before they become reverend father, they go to seminary school.
Bam. Okay, Kuchana. No wahala. But I've told you that I'm going to that city with you, whether reverend sister or reverend father.
Anyway. That's what I came to tell you. I will see you.
See, Afam, let me tell you, you're not going anywhere. Both of us will die in this village. No. So you want to live Enoma, in this village? Nah, Afam, are they possible? You're lying. In fact, Afam, wait for me, or you're not going anywhere.
Enuma, or what do you call yourself? What is your business about where I'm going to?
Look at this useless man. Oh, you think you can slap me and go scot-free in this village? Enuma, Nwamandoba. If you so sit now and discuss something that does not concern you, with all those your stupid elders in this village, you can have the guts to do it. Now you are acting rubbish. You're saying rubbish.
Enuma, watch your mouth. Watch your mouth. I have children like you.
Children? Who do you even call children? Is it that one that is doing boy for somebody in the city that looks like one Oda or Ada that cannot even stand my point? Nah, those your children are useless children. Let me just tell you now if you don't know.
It's just one thing. I would have used this thing on your head now. I would have used this thing on your head right now. I would have used this thing on your head now.
Hey!
See,
No, come here. Come back here. You say you're going to use it in my head. This one. Now give me this thing. Let me see you. Knock my head. Now look at this man. No, you can't do anything. You can't do anything.
Enuma.
Now happy in
Enuma.
Now knock my head now. I said knock my head. Now happy in a give me this thing. You can't do anything. Look at this man. So you think now you can't do anything. Do it. Do your worst. I said do your worst, this man. You can't do anything, You want me to slap you? You want me to slap you? Nah, don't know me. I said slap me, do your worst. You can't slap me, do your worst. Look at this man. No, beat me, I'm waiting for you. No, you can't do anything. Back where? You can't do anything. Respect yourself. See, the set come and go. Where? Take him there. Idiot. Now take this thing you call car. Take this thing you call key. Respect yourself, oh. Respect yourself, oh. This man, respect yourself. If you don't see, respect yourself, oh. Walk and there. Idiot. I hope you come and try me. Come and try no, man. Nah, see. Take a cheap pill and relax. Nah, no. Respect yourself, oh.
This is wonderful. This is buxom. In fact, I want to ask you one profound, in fact, a prolific question that I want a good answer. Let me ask you. I hope, this tantalizing moment will continue, because I cannot resist it. I hope it will continue.
Of course. So long as you promise me that I'll be the only one and no one else.
Of course. Of course. Who else? I will not be doing this with another person. You are the only baby that I have, and the only baby that I'll be doing it with. Why will I do it with some other person? Let me tell you, no woman, no baby can fit. In fact, judging by the way you handled me on bed, no woman can fit into that shoe except you. So there will be no other apart from you. You understand?
Alright. Let me get going before someone sees us.
Hey, you want to get going? It's okay. It's okay. Wait. Go. Jesus, this is wonderful. This is subbuxom. This is unconditional. In fact, the way she gave it to me, it is scattering my head left, right, and center. What in the Ha! I never knew these village champions can be this strong. Do you know, even in Buckingham Palace, when I met Rosalind could not handle me this way. But this girl came, she scattered, she swept me off my feet. Eludite Ignatius. In that case, if all these village champions can be this strong on bed, can be this bedmatic, can be this systematic on bed, can be this, mesmerizing on bed, what I will do is, I will begin to, in fact, I will apply environmental research. I will apply environmental research on all the village vacancies. All the village. No, before I do so, don't forget you are an erudite. Don't forget you are a legal luminary. Before I do that, I will have to apply visibility studies, know everything, and know how to handle.
understand though. Now what's the meaning of all this now? Now before come back here. What's wrong with you? Nah, see I don't understand this thing no. Now let me just pass now. Nah, madam, come back here.
Exactly what you're thinking. I have been so lenient with you. Do you know what? You're going to pay for all your evil deeds today.
Exactly. Today is payback time.
Hey, see, as far as I'm concerned, it's only a coward that can come out in group to face Enoma, Nwamanduba in this village. Oh. So just back away, let me pass.
Come here.
Come back here.
Will you shut up?
Eh? Is it because we see you as our friend in this village? And we are taking all your nonsense? And you think you can go around to terrorize everybody? Eh? See, we are going to deal with you today. In fact, I advise you to run home.
Ope, she's going nowhere. We will deal with you today. Nah, see, let me tell you. You see you, Uchechi. Ngewa, Ada, Mapoko give it. I'm giving you fair. I'm giving you fair. You don't make it. Leave me alone. Give us time to eat. Give us some.
Original dancer. Why you not be smart? Baby, want it slowly. Just wanna spend it on you. Just wanna pump it on you. My baby. You're running high. This girl me no feel alright. Me no push. Me no take a high. You don't think this girl me no feel alright. You're running high. You don't think this girl me no feel alright. Me no push. Me no take a high.
Cool. Me no bad man cheesy. I don't say me no send anybody. Cool. Say me the rest back crazy. They just say me no fear anybody. Sexy girl, she want make me feel alright. Say this girl, she want turn up the light. I got the power and I got all the might. So me turn up the stage and me turn up all night. Who be the bear when they wine like a maga? Say bad man to ask them, so who born their bad maga? So me tell her, say your mother and your father be the maga. So me tell her, say your mother and your father be the maga.
Me again. I never knew you can dance this very good. I'm telling you, I never knew.
Really?
I'm telling you. Yeah. Of course. The moment I found myself into this arena, I saw you the way you were dancing, in fact, your dance almost swept me up off my feet. You know, the one that caught my fantasy so vehemently was when you bent down, the way you were rolling your waist, oh God, that was so marvelous. I'm telling you.
Hey, are you serious?
Yes.
Thank you.
Honestly speaking. Hey, but it's all right. Because you can do this well in dancing, I have decided to sponsor you with my money into United States of America for dancing competition. I know very well that if you go there, you are going to come back with first class.
Hey, are you serious?
I'm telling you. You know what is going to happen? As it is, in fact, from now, I'm going to telewire Queen Elizabeth. Queen Elizabeth of Buckingham Palace, to tell her that I'm bringing a brilliant dancer. And I'm sure she's going to like it. Before then, let me show you how we used to do it in England. Play the music, let me show you.
Now let's play music, let's play music. Let's
Original dancer. Why you not be smart? Baby, want it slowly. Just wanna spend it on you.
have the light. I got the power and I got the might. So me turn up the stage and me turn up all night. Who be the bear when they wine like a maga? Say bad master as them say who born their bad maga. So me tell her say your mother and your father be the maga. So me tell her say your mother and your father be the maga.
The devil is a liar. Shut up! The devil is a liar! I said shut up! Hey! Shut up! Hey! Somebody rescue! Deliver! Shut up! Somebody should deliver me! Somebody should deliver me! What are you doing? Hey! Shut up! Hey! Stop! Hey! Somebody help! Hey! Somebody help! Somebody! Hey! Hey!
You want to kill a village drunk?
Hey!
Now I'm going to kill him today. Oh.
Hey! I'm finished.
Let me ask you, what transpired? What happened that you want to kill him?
Ask him. He's here. Ask him.
Thank you very much, my learned friend, for coming to my rescue. This girl, she almost killed me. She has beaten away all the energy giving Shana I took since day before yesterday and today.
Let me tell you, Konu, this is not a matter of learned friend or no learned friend. I am not your learned friend because you're not learned. I want you to tell me the truth. The truth and nothing but the truth. Because whatever thing you say here is going to be used against you in the court of law. So tell me, what transpired between you and Inoma?
Thank you. Thank you. My learned friend. Ignatius.
Ignatius, it transpired. Stand up!
I cannot even stand. She broke everything in me. It was from where I was buying my necessary shina this morning. Then, suddenly, my hands waved. And you know, touched her, mistakenly touched her factoral industrial layout. That is the central nipple, to be precise.
Let me tell you, your hands waved.
Yes.
Your hands no longer have control. It waved.
It waved.
Let me ask you again. How did your hand know that that is the nipple? That your hand waved directly to the nipple without going through the surroundings of the breast?
Waved.
Let me tell you, this thing you did now is tantamount to landing you into 40 years imprisonment in the high court of law, if you don't know.
Oh.
Let me tell you, Inoma, please don't be angry. Like, you know, as a legal luminary, as a professional, and I have to make a report in the court, you know. So I have to be cross-examined, and you know, in examination. That is to say that I will be asked, you know, what actually, you know, how did it happen? That is what the judge will ask me as a legal luminary, you know, present when Dixon. So let me be sure let me know. He said, according to what he said, is it true that he you know, not like I'm touching your, you know, but is for me to be aware and sure. So that in the court of law, when the judge will be asking and cross-examining, I will know, did he actually, he said his hand swung. I don't know. Did he touch your, like, it? No, I didn't, I was, no.
I am not here anymore.
Hey! Why you
Honestly, I don't know when Enuma will stop this fighting habit.
This girl. If you had witnessed her punch, if you had witnessed this girl's punch, so heavy like that of McTaxi, I was wondering, the way she handled me, the way she handled Okono, the way I saw her parabeating Okono, the way she was releasing punches on Okono, the way she gripped me, I wonder if this is a feminine. If this is not something else, living inside a feminine species. Why you? Take it easy. This thing is very painful.
Sorry. Uju, what are you doing here? Are you blind? Can't you see I'm helping Prof massage him of what Enuma did to him? What? Prof, you mean Enuma fought with you?
Fighting is an understatement. As a fight, I am telling you, do you know that I do not understand the kind of power this girl possesses? If you see, you needed to be there. See how this girl was flinging me like a nylon bag, like a cellophane. Flinging me. Before you know it, as a matter of fact, if you see the way she was throwing punches on my friend, before you know it, she held me, gripped me into her hands, that I almost lost breath. I am sure she beat me because as we speak, I am feeling some pains here. She gripped me, and the moment she gripped me, she used either her nails or her teeth on me. But let me tell you, this girl had the effrontery, the audacity, the impetus to do this to Prof, erudite, legal luminary, Ignatius Nweke. By the time I finish with her, by the time I finish descending on this girl, she's going to go to a maximum security prison and occupy a comfortable place for herself as a home, as an abode for herself.
Anyway, sorry, Onna. Ndo, I was actually on my way to the market when I said to breathe and I check up on you. Let me start going now.
Thank you very much for this your eliciting visit.
Sorry, yeah? Ndo. Prof!
Eh?
Don't tell me you have something to do with my friend.
With who? Something like what?
I'm sure you're not having anything to do with her.
I have said I don't have anything with her.
You lie, Prof.
I lie.
You lie. But if I found out, if I find out.
I lie. She said I lie. Professor, erudite, legal luminary who have dealt with Queen Elizabeth in Buckingham Palace. She said, you lie. I lie. This is what I cannot understand. Let me tell you, this is preposterous. It is preposterous. How can you look at me, a legible man, an elite like me, an elite like me, telling me that I lied after dealing with Queen Elizabeth in Buckingham Palace, after having dined with Queen Elizabeth in Buckingham Palace, dealt with other judiciaries and parliament. I came back to this place only for you to tell me that I lied.
Yeah, I've said my
This
own.
is preposterous. She said I lied.
If somebody would tell me that sorry would come out from anyone's mouth, I would tell that person that is a big fat lie. I feel her pain so. I can imagine what she's going through now.
Well, I think we all still need to go and sympathize with her. After all, she's still our friend.
Sure, we will, one of these days.
Enough of Enuma and her troubles. Let me break my own good news. Professor Barrister Ignatius Nweke just proposed to me last night. I thought as much. What is so funny now?
You must be a daydreamer.
How?
Does he look like one who is ready to get married anytime soon?
All he knows how to do best is to speak grammar that is not even correct.
Uju, is that why you are always glued to him? Anyway, all I know is that all of you will be in this village and I will invite you for my traditional marriage.
And I will be there.
Sweetheart, I will personally be your chief bridesmaid.
Mba, don't go there. I'll be the one.
Mrs. Ignatius.
Are you girls not happy for me?
No. I am personally happy for you. Personally.
I'm happy for you. Whoever did this to my daughter will have no peace. The living God, you must punish that person. The person will know no peace. He will suffer, he or she will suffer 1,000,000-fold over.
Amen. But Mama, please stop crying. Oh, Biko, I will go and see the man of God for this matter. Because stop crying.
Afam, tell them to leave. Please go. Go.
Enuma, why do you want us to leave? We came here to sympathize with you. Or is there anything bad for us to come and console our friend?
See, Abby, I think she has her reasons. Oh, please, you have to go. When the tension comes down, maybe you can come back. Oh?
We fought her the other day. I think she's still angry. But she should know that we are not happy that she's not well. That is why we came to.
Yes, you're mocking me. You came here to mock me. Sorry for what you're passing through. Please accept our sympathy. Sorry, you know.
No, you need to forgive them. They are your friends.
They've come to sympathize with you, not to laugh at you. Forgive them, Biko One, forgive them.
Ebere. Uju. Chechi. Ada. I've forgiven you people.
Hey, thank you. We pray you get well soon, okay?
Biko, help me. I'm praying for her because she needs prayers.
Stop crying, Mama. She will be okay.
Yes, come in. Good day, Father. Good day, brother. From how are you? Father, I'm fine. Father, please, can I see you? Oh, I wanted to go to the hospital to pray for a sick person. I hope all is well. For all is not well. Father, I am afraid. But they are already waiting for me at the hospital. So you can come tomorrow morning and we have time to discuss whatever thing it is. Tomorrow morning, I'll be better. It's okay.
Mama, what is after you?
Mama, I don't believe this.
What happened?
Mimi sisters caught up with a no, ma.
What happened?
Huh? What did you just say? What happened?
Papa, Enuma now has swollen hands and legs.
Lie.
Believe me, Mama. I swear. I saw with my 2 naked eyes when I was running from the market. A rumor has it that somebody did it to her.
I said it. I said it. That one day, the gods of this land will deliver us from the hands of that evil guy called Enuma. How can one small girl be terrorizing us in this village? Hey, ancestors, I thank you.
But that girl is lucky. She's lucky that he did not kill her or even make her mad.
The little one that has happened to her is enough to make her to calm down.
Papa, see, the Enuma I know will never calm down.
My son, you are welcome. Go to the kitchen, carry your food and eat. Oh?
Thank you, Mommy.
I'm happy, honestly. What has happened to her is a good thing. I'm happy. At least we all sleep now and get out. Sleep with our eyes closed. That girl is...
So she's still alive.
Look, well...
Yes, come in. Brother, you're good. Please sit down. How are you? Fine. Father, I came to tell you that my friend and her mother are passing through a lot right now. And she's the only daughter of her mother. Father, this person I'm telling you developed swollen leg and swollen hand just yesterday.
The devil is a liar.
Father, please do all you can to help that family. The devil is really at work in that family. Father, why I came here is that I know what you can do. God is really using you to help people. Please, please deliver that family. Please.
I want you to understand that whatever the Lord has used me to do in this parish it's all to His glory. And as the Lord lives, we shall continue to do His work. I will pray over it. What is that her name?
Enuma.
Enuma. There are a lot of things the Lord is revealing to me concerning that family. What is her surname?
Enuma Okeke.
Okay. There are some things the Lord is revealing to me, but like I said, I'll pray over it. I'll get back to you in some days. Okay? You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Mama, I went to see Father Jude, and he said that God revealed to him that there is something you did in the past that is affecting your family. And until you confess that these things will never stop. And as for Enuma, he said that Enuma insulted an old man recently, and that man is the cause of her problems.
Are you done?
Yes, I'm done.
You get out of my compound, stupid boy. Because you are my compound, boy. Look at you, evil man. You went to connive with some pastor to come here and tell me nonsense. Eh? Implicating Father Jude. In Paula. Because get out of my compound.
Mama, why you they talk like this now? Yeah? You didn't see my condition. And still, you're still saying this. Why? Now, Mama, tell me what you know that I don't know now, Mama, please.
No, instead of you to think of how you're going to apologize to whoever old man that you insulted in Oleba and asking me, what is it that happened? Don't let me say things that I wouldn't want to say. You're the one that has been influencing my daughter negatively.
Mama, stop now.
Nonsense.
Mama, please now. Yeah,
Bring down your hand.
Hey.
Bring it down. Oh.
Hey. Hey.
Uncle, if you see the beating this girl gave to me some days ago, honestly speaking, Uncle, till now I have not recovered from the shock. Uncle, if I tell you how my body is paining me all over, you won't believe it.
I warned you, but you refused to listen to me. Now you have learnt your lesson. I'm happy about that.
Uncle, honestly, I have learnt my lessons. I have really learnt my lessons. As a matter of fact, I cannot visualize. It still baffles me. I am lost in confusion how a feminine could have such strength. Uncle, if you see this girl's punch, her punch is like that of volcano eruption. Honestly speaking.
That's good. Now that you have experienced Enoma very well, when are we going to visit our parents?
Which parents? Am I stupid? Somebody is here telling you how he was beaten up, and you're telling me to go and meet parents. Which parents? Uncle, in fact, you see that girl? Instead of me to marry that girl, I rather remain single all my life.
I'm happy this is coming from you. So, as they say, experience is the best teacher. So what is your next plan now? I mean, what is your plan?
Uncle, let me use this medium to break Akin Suba to you. Let me use this opportunity to tell you that I have searched around after the incident. I decided to swing into action in search of some other person that will benefit me and I will benefit. To this end, I want to let you know that I have found another girl that I want to marry. A girl that I want to build my empire with, and not that market taxi.
Eh?
Well, this girl, she is so sumptuous, you know, so lubricatious. In fact, if not for one thing, I would have said she's lubricant. Because, in fact, she's a lubricant to my heart. When my heart is stiff, that girl lubricates, the thought of that girl lubricates the hard part of my life, you know. Her name is, by her parents, her name is Obianuju. But out of excess, magnanimous, romantically, loviously, and from the Imerian way, that is to say, deep down of my heart, Heartland FM, Imerian way, I call her Uju Baby.
Hey, that is good. That is a good news. Go and bring her. Let me see her so I can interview her, know who her parents is, so that we can plan on how to go and see her parents.
It's all right. That we will do. That we will do, Uncle.
Okay, that's good. This is a good news, a wonderful news, and we need to drink to that. So, do you have anything at home for us to celebrate this good news?
Uncle, how can you ask an international entity like me if I have something? Knowing fully well that I left Buckingham Palace to this place. Okay. I should have every natural, you know, what it takes. You know, Uncle, let me tell you, I have England wine, European wine. Okay. The very first day I accosted Queen Elizabeth, she gave it to me as a result of welcome. You know, on my departure day, I told Queen Elizabeth that I'm going to visit my people. She said, no, Barrister Ignatius, Esquire, Professor, you cannot live like this without having something to present. Let me give you London wine. Queen Elizabeth handed me a bottle of champagne called Champagnon. Yeah, Champagnon. She said, take it home. I have them all. I'll get them for you too, you know.
Yeah. This is your briefcase. What are you doing with it? You are in the house and you are still carrying briefcase.
Oh,
what is the problem?
Uncle, the content of this briefcase is something that... In fact, let me ask you, Uncle. Can a man go out leaving his brain at home? He cannot. So this is how this briefcase operates. This briefcase, the content of this briefcase, Uncle, you know it. You know, Uncle, I came out with first class. And as a matter of fact, with what I came back to this place with is first class tickets from Buckingham Palace. You understand? Another document that was signed, endorsed by Queen Elizabeth, all are in Dick's briefcase. Uncle, I cannot leave it. I go out with it. In fact, I rather lose this house than losing this briefcase. I am telling you, Uncle, come a briefcase IGF, let me fall. This briefcase means a loss to me. In fact, Uncle, instead of this briefcase to loss, look for me. I keep this briefcase. It's alright.
That's not we started. Go and bring the drink and let's celebrate.
It's alright. Uncle, I would have said hold this briefcase. No. Judging by what I just said and things that are contained in this briefcase, let me go with it.
So you don't trust me?
Uncle, I trust you, but I don't trust your action. For you, I trust you, but I don't trust what you will do. Do you know, in fact, to be very honest with you, this is one of the happiest moments of my life. I am telling you. In fact,
ever since I came back.
It's a lie.
Is it true?
Tell me you are joking.
I cannot be joking with such issues. You know, I cannot be considered a joker. I cannot spend all the days in Europe dining and discussing with Queen Elizabeth in Buckingham Palace only for me to be repatriated to this place to become a joker. No, I am not a joker. No, I am damn serious and I mean it. I want you to be my wife. Please, marry me.
Yes, yes, I'll marry you.
I love it. This is wonderful. In fact, no amount of words can express how happy I am. I am so joyous inside, so happy at this point in time of my life. I don't know, but in a nutshell, let me say, I want to guarantee you this. Before you, before me, before the vegetations of this land, before heaven, before earth, that you will never and ever suffer. In fact, face any perilous time as far as I am concerned. I will make the road smooth and smoother for you. This is why I am called Professor Erudite Ignatius Mweke. According to Queen Elizabeth of Buckingham Palace, she said, Mweke, you are a man of your words. And I am proving to you, I'm going to prove to you here that I am a man of no perilous time. In the time of stress, I will be there for you. Through thick and thin, I promise you that. That is okay. I want you to be the mother of my children. No, you can do.
Please, I have to get going now.
Yeah, you gotta go. It's okay, you can go. Having accepted me, having said yes to my proposal, you can go.
My friends will hear this. I have to go.
This is wonderful. Ceteris paribus. Wonderful. Fantabulous. This is one in a million. Let me tell you, not just your friends, your parents, your relatives.
So, you mean the mother doubted the message?
Yes, Father, she doubted me and she even asked me out of the house. She said that I've gone to connive with one fake man of God to come and give them fake prophecy.
The devil is a liar.
Yes, Father, the devil is a liar, but Father, please, you have to help them. Please, even if it means coming with me to their house. Because...
Okay, I've heard you. But I am quite busy today. But see me in the parish tomorrow morning. Yes, tomorrow morning.
Okay. Thank you very much for that.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Father, you're welcome to my humble abode. Father, to what do I owe this visit?
I have come to see you and your daughter. Believing God that He will bring back the peace to this family and make your daughter back to herself again.
Amen. I can't wait to have her back to normal. Father, were you the person that sent her from?
Oh yes, I sent him. But he came back to me and said you doubted him. And that is why I have decided to come myself.
I didn't know, Father. I am sorry.
While I was praying, the Lord revealed something to me.
He did?
Yes.
What?
The Lord said you know something about your present predicament. And until you make it known, you will never know peace as you ought to be experiencing in this family.
It's my fault. Mother, it is all my fault. It happened when... a long time ago when I was young.
Ned! Is there anybody at home? Ned! My leg. I enjoyed when I was coming back, please. Please, can you help me and go and buy drugs? Become one. Hey. This shall never end. Ned! Did you remember that I'm your mother?
Why am I talking to this old woman? What am I talking to?
Hello,
Eh?
Hey!
Old winch.
You are talking to your mother.
Winch like you.
Hey!
Just because of this small injury, you're just shouting up and down. Every time, Ned in this house. See, stop disturbing me in this house. Oh. Stop disturbing me in this house. Let me warn you. Stop disturbing me in this house. What kind of rubbish is this now?
Ned.
Why didn't you die?
Hey! How can see you? Ned, did you remember you are talking to your mother? Hey!
Hey, this woman. What kind of bitch is this now? Eh?
My waist, oh.
Hey. I'm very careful.
Ned! You are leaving your mother. Hey. Hey, what? Ah! Ned, who took the money inside my bag? Can I have my leg on? Eh?
Emma, leave me alone. I don't know what you're talking about.
Who took the money inside my bag?
Hey, this woman upstairs again. What is it? What is it this time around? What is it?
Every time you keep stealing my money, today is the end of it.
Mama, I don't know what
Are you hearing me?
I don't know what you're talking about. What is this now? Ogenide, I don't know what you're talking about.
You are shouting at
Yes,
me.
I'm shouting at you. What is this now? Why are you holding me?
I am holding you because my money is not there.
Mama, leave me alone.
Provide my money. Provide my money!
I am not providing any money because I didn't take any money. So leave me alone.
So if I do not lose, what will happen?
If
I did not leave you, what will happen?
Mama, leave me. I'm warning you.
See,
I don't want anybody to say that I've killed somebody here. Leave me alone. I'm warning you.
Who will you kill? Who will you kill?
Okay, leave me alone.
I will not.
Mama, leave me alone.
I will not. Mama, you are... Ned!
Mama!
Ned!
Mama!
Ned!
Hey, Mama!
Ned! 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 The power to me! Hey! Anabaya Bekununo! Hey! Never said! Hey! Nedi! Anabai! I didn't do this to my mother! Neither did I do it to my father. Neddy, Neddy, from today, Eke, Oye, Afo, Nkwo, hey, even your children, is he a male or a female? They will do this double portion of it. Even when you get married, your husband will do the same thing. So shall it be. There shall be no rest. Hey! Look at me. Look at me. I have you as a daughter. You are my only daughter. Ned, you poured water on me. Hey!
Oh no, please stand up. Oh, please stand up.
Father, please ask God to forgive me.
Please stand up. You are not supposed to kneel before me. The curse by your mother is the root of all the problems this family has been experiencing. Yes. Even your daughter's misbehavior whenever she comes across anybody.
Father, what do I do? Father, please pray for me.
I want you to understand one thing. There is nothing, absolutely nothing impossible for God to do. Do you believe that God can heal your daughter?
I believe that God can do anything.
I will tell you something important. You will go back to your mother's grave, say a decade of the rosary, and ask her for forgiveness. Then you go back to your mother's sisters and also ask them to pray on your behalf. Then when that is done, I shall return to join you and your family in prayers.
I will do as you said, Father.
Okay. She will be fine. You're welcome.
What is it? What is it?
Please, sir. We've come to ask you for...
You come to ask me for forgiveness? What have I done to you? Did I do anything to you that you're asking me for forgiveness?
Sir, sir, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for all the things I've done to you. I promise. In fact, I'm a changed person. I would never ever do it to you.
Shut up!
Hey! You. We've come to ask you to forgive Enoma. Please, sir. Sir,
This one. So Enoma, upon all the things you have done to us in this village, all the elders including me, and all the girls in this village, you still have the gall to come to my house to beg me or to ask for forgiveness? See, I know it will happen to you. I know it will happen to you. Look at you. Look at your body. See, it should be you say you are a woman man.
Hey, no, that was then. I am not Enoma, Nwa Jesus, and not Nwa Mandoba again. Because forgive me.
Now you have realized that you are nobody. I know you will die on this.
Ew!
You will die. Leave my house now!
Sorry, sir.
I said leave my house! Leave my house!
I'm a changed person, sir. Sorry, sir.
See.
Please help us beg your father.
Let me tell you.
Papa, I'm sorry, please.
Huh?
Please, I'm sorry. Forgive me. Sorry, I will.
You will die!
I said
Leave my house!
Papa, please.
Go inside! Yeah, move inside!
Papa, please.
Go inside!
Papa, please, I beg in the name of God, Papa. Papa, please. Sinema is not a changed person, Papa.
So you asking me to forgive her? Is this not the person that chased you to my house the other day? And still chased you around the village? and you are not asking for forgiveness. Eh?
Papa, I know, but she's not a changed person. Please, Papa.
Changed person? I don't believe that. She will die.
No, Papa.
She will die.
Papa, please. You change the car. We all know you as a very good man. The whole community respects you. We know you have a very good heart, sir. Please, we know Enuma has offended you greatly, but please forgive her. Forgive her, she's a changed person now. Please. Please.
See, when you get home, grind it and put it in a container, eh? And be rubbing it around your wound, okay? But I want you to be a changed person, like you promised. If you do not change, something worse than this will happen to you.
No. Oh, Mba.
Take it.
Oh, take it.
So you can go now, eh? Your sins are forgiven.
Oh, thank you, Papa.
Papa, you will
sir.
live longer.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. And thank you.
Thank you. Ow! Mayo.
Sorry, don't worry, you'll be fine. Thank you. Oh, bye-bye. Thank you. Sorry, Thank God.
You're welcome. Good evening, ma. Thank you very much. Thank you, Enuma. How are you?
Father, thank you so much. Father, do you know, after carrying out all that you advised, Father, it's been like a miracle. It's short, it's a miracle. She's been healing gradually, steadily. Father, look at her. From going to confession, deliverance in church, attending mass, receiving Holy Communion. Father, it is a miracle. Look at my daughter. Tell Father.
Father, as you can see, it's healing gradually. I'm so happy.
It's just the scars left.
All glory to God.
Father, she actually followed me to the farm today, right?
We have to give every glory to God. Enuma, it's not really your fault. Yes. But it is always very, very important to respect our elders and those who are very close to us, especially the men of God. You know, it's as a result of what your mother did to her own mother, and the curse was laid on her. But today, we give every glory to God because the whole curse has been lifted.
Amen. Father, it's all thanks to you. If not for you, Father, you delivered my family from destruction. May God bless you. Bless you.
You're welcome, but we'll give every glory to God. It's not by our own making. What about our family?
He left some hours ago.
Okay. Shall we pray? In the name of the Father,
And of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen.
our Father,
Who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come.
Enuma wa mandoba, Enuma. I don't want to see window bandiavo. Enuma. Obu woke, I don't know. Obu wani, I did I'm sure. Kade puko melone me kwazo. I'm out to ratatata like machine gun, insulting everyone. Enuma wa mandoba. I don't care how Jarema, some back on a bar. Enuma wa mandoba. I'm out to ratatata like machine gun, insulting everyone. Enuma wa mandoba. I don't care Sambakona ba, enu mawamanoba. Machine gun, insulting everyone. Enuma wamanoba. I don't care how Jorema, some back on a bar. Enuma wamanoba. I'm out to ratatata like machine gun, insulting everyone. Enuma wamanoba. I don't care how Jorema.